Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? It is Tuesday, the 8th of March of 2022, and we are back for yet another stream. The heater in my house is really fucked up right now for some reason. I have it set at like 66, so I like it a little bit chilly, and for some reason it's like 78 in my house right now. I finally just turned the heater off because I'm pretty sure the thermostat is confused, but it's really fucking hot in my house. So if I look sweaty, it's I mean, the forehead shine is definitely because it's hot in my house. But anyway, welcome back to another stream. Today we're gonna be working on Dead Snakes. We're also gonna be taking a look at auto update day. I forgot to log into my password manager, so we're gonna have to do that. And yeah, we're gonna be packaging 311. I also might spend some time packaging for Trusty and Xenial because somebody wants to pay me for those. So we might be packaging for some really old systems today, which is going to be a pain in the ass. But yeah, welcome back everyone, and hopefully you are all having a good Tuesday. But let me say hi to everyone who is here. Oh my god, there's so much chat. Jazz Lucy was first today, followed by John Envy1, Konik with the Love Peak Out, good to see you again. Evil Gordita, hello, hello. Oramis, happy Apple event day. I don't give a fuck about Apple. Junk Time Lord, hello, hello. And Kevin, evening. Deckle Hunt says Python 3.11. Yeah, we're gonna be packaging Alpha 5 or Alpha 6 or Alpha 7 or whatever the fuck version it is. Alpha 6? Okay, cool. Yeah, I guess that one. Kevin asks if I have a hangover. I don't get hangovers, so. Which is pretty nice. Oscuroso, welcome. Cran Pial, welcome back. Good to see you. You drink too little. Perhaps. I don't know what timelines look like now that I think about it. When does the early beta usually come out? I think it's usually October, but it's listed on the release pep. This is what I usually Google, yes. And then I scroll down and Alpha Beta 1 is, wow, in May. I feel like that's earlier than usual. Although this often gets pushed back, so. Who knows? Final is in October. Okay, that's what I was misremembering. Chakata Cove says Anthony doesn't get hangovers. Hangovers get Anthony. Kawi Life, welcome back. Good to see you again. Mr. Singh, hello, you been fully nude. No, that didn't happen. That's not true. Anton, hello, welcome back. Red Sky 1, good to see you again. It is Tuesday, indeed. Well, it might be Wednesday for those of you in other time zones. or one of my like not so smart friends in high school didn't completely understand time zones and was like, yeah, when you go on an airplane you time travel. It's for the time travelers. Fixer Jake, hello, good to see you again. Clearly withdrawal symptoms? No, my house is just super hot for no good reason. 310 is gonna be the next fan favorite. I don't know. I don't really think anything beyond 3.6 is that impressive compared to 3.6, to be honest. But Eagle BT, hello. Gonna read a book. Just came here to say hi real quick. Sounds good. Have fun reading your book. Exonity, welcome back. Coffee is ready. Well, I don't drink coffee. Read a new pep today. Pep 339. That's an old one. What is that one? The AST module? The compiler design? Wow, look at me knowing my peps. I spent a lot of time reading these, although this one was never completely finished, but a lot of it inspired the new AST module and the new way that everything was associated. But yeah, anyway. Oops, I forgot to put up my Streamlabs notifications. Fuck off, go away. I just want to see my dashboard. Recent events. Come on. What happened? Koenig has resubbed with Prime at 21 months. Thank you for your continued support, Koenig. Appreciate that. Always good to see your love peek out. Krishmali says, "Hi Anthony, I need your help if you don't mind. Why do you not use a gaming chair? Because they're not actually good ergonomics." And yeah, I don't know. Yeah. What mouse to use? The shittiest mouse possible. the worst mouse possible. 310 has a lot better error messages. That's kind of true, yeah. Name color change? Nope, you're still red. Or orange is red, or can't really tell. All the colors kind of blend together after a while. Just learned today that Armin wrote the original AST module. Interesting. I satisfied. Hello. Welcome back. Good to see you again. Okay, so let's get started since deadsnakes is very much hurry up and wait. And while we're doing the waiting, we can take a look at auto update day. So I'm gonna delete this. We're gonna clone deadsnakes Python 3.11. I gotta fix the nightlies first, since it looks like those are failing. Wanna bet whether it's setup.modules or whatever the fuck, that stupid file that we always hit? Because Bionic failed. Okay, what failed? What failed today? Oh no. Undefined reference to PyOS FS path. Oh, it's gonna be a long stream today, isn't it? Fuck. No! Oh, that's gonna suck. I wonder if that's in Alpha 6. Oh no. I think this is the same thing we fixed once already. So hopefully we'll be able to figure out how I fixed it last time and do the same thing again. I think it's just the I think it's setup modules again, but in a weird, not conflicting, but conflicting way. Print ast.doc and check the last 2 lines. Or you can just do this and get the doc from here. Interesting. Void Rose, it's been a while. Welcome back. Good to see you again. Yeah, changing theme is now 10k with a cooldown. I might make it cheaper. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. What did it cost yesterday? It was 100 points yesterday. It was absolute chaos. Something like 3 babbies for the first 50 weeks. That would be so cheap. It would just change all the time. I'd have to put an epilepsy warning on my stream. Cube, hello, welcome. Wholesome Thought, also good to see you again. We're gonna clone both of these. Oh, I hate this problem. Okay, but I think I know what it is. So we can, in theory, find change to makefile.pre.in. And it just failed this morning, so it should just be one change. Well, this is not the brokenness, but this is a pretty funny bug. Oh. But the patch above this should be the problem. Make the PWD module optional. What a fucking pain in the ass. Sorry, Tyrion. Appreciate the work you do, but goddamn. This is entirely for the fuck is it called? Mscript in Python. Tofu, hello, welcome back. Just got on a 1.3 meeting? What is a 1.3 meeting? I don't know what that means. What are we developing today? We are building Python 3.11. We are fixing stuff. 10k feels a bit too high. 2 to 4k seems reasonable if there's a cooldown. You're just trying to get me to do fewer points. You're just trying to make it cheaper. I see what you're doing. I don't want it to happen all the time is the problem. But I don't know. Fuzzy Jake says, so my boss got let go, right? But this is my last week and he's been on vacation. So I'm like, who the fuck do I do all my exit interview with stuff? Oh. Usually I do those with, I've done those with HR. A 1 out of 3 meetings, Dante. Oh no. Ideal Urkhex says, can you type something? Sure. Like that? Or is it jumped? I think it's jumped. Is there a D somewhere else? No, there is a D somewhere else. Yeah, anyway. I don't type properly, but I do fine. Leechin, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Brett and Christian are making sure WASM comes along. Yeah, but it's such a fucking pain in the ass for me. It's not gonna figure out what this setup.bootstrap thing is supposed to do. Because I'm pretty sure that's what's broken. Ideal Erkek. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I just haven't heard anything about any admin stuff that needs to be done. I had to reach out to my SVP. Ooh, interesting. I believe it's the lazy brown fox jumped over the quick dog. Yeah. Oh, it's jumps? Yeah. Oh yeah, that would be the only S. Yep. True, 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 true. Farfoon, hello, hello, welcome back. I can change the theme. It's true, I satisfied. You can change my theme to anything that's on GitHub. And it will live update. Which is kind of cool. We got it working. This song feels loud. Is the music loud, chat? I feel like it's loud. I'll turn you down a little bit. Okay, let's see. Did this change land in 3. No, it didn't. Okay. So I don't have to fix this yet. Because this is not in Alpha 6. So we can do Alpha 6 without doing that. And then we'll fix the nightlies. Runbooks, import. I discard the changes here. Fetch.signed. Oh yeah. Runbooks, imports, upstream 3.11.0 alpha 6. What am I doing? What the fuck am I doing? What am I doing? I'm not a computer. A little loud? Okay, yeah, we fixed it. VS Code themes? Yes, any VS Code theme. Which level is this? Coding on a terminal? I mean, yeah, I do all my programming in the terminal. How did the theme option work specifically? Can I use any VS Code theme? Yes, any VS Code theme. As long as it is JSON, plist, CSON, or JSON with trailing commas. It cannot have invalid weird comments in the middle. And yeah. Other than that, it has to be on GitHub as well. Monty, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, then you just paste the link. If I try it now and it doesn't work, will you refund? Yes, unless you're trying to hack me. And then I won't refund. I've worked hard for my babbies. Yeah, I can refund channel points. I can't refund bits, but I can refund channel points. Do you work in the repositories cloned by all repos, or do you only use those when you're applying changes? Yeah, I don't work in those. I mostly use them as a querying technique. But yeah, of course you think I'll hack you. I mean, I put a series of things in there to hopefully prevent being vulnerable, but it is, you know, downloading code from the internet and running it, so there's could be problematic. But JB Pratt, what is that emote? Oh, it's a dingly bell. Also, welcome back. Fuck. You managed to break it. I'm satisfied. How did you manage to break it? So somewhere in here there's a foreground empty string. Well, now I gotta... Oh fuck, how am I gonna do this? Here, we'll do this to unbreak it. I don't know why they have a foreground empty string. This just doesn't work. Doesn't do anything. They do this in a bunch of places. You picked a garbage theme. Okay, and now... Fuck. Now we have to fix the code. Spammer says, if anyone didn't know, HTML hacking is old school. JSON hacking is the future. Yeah. Oh, I have the wrong keys here. Why do I have BG and FG? This looks so silly. It's like italicized pipe. So it looks like a slash. What a bad idea. Why would they do that? Oh, I have the wrong keys. Yeah, it's supposed to be foreground and background. How long is the cooldown? I don't know. I think it might be too long. I think it might be 10 minutes. I can change the cooldown. Proper validate the background / foreground rules. Okay, we fixed that. Let me see what the cooldown is. I'll make the cooldown shorter. Fewer rewards, shin the points. Change babby theme. 10 minutes. How about we set it to 3 minutes? 3 minutes or 5 minutes? 10 cooldown sounds reasonable. Should we leave it at 10? Okay, we'll leave it at 10. Fine. Fine. Chat has spoken. It's staying at 10. Done. I love this theme. Do you deal with this do you deal with these weird pipe things? How do you deal with the pipe? That would drive me fucking insane. Gairu, thank you for the follow. Welcome. I don't know where's one that we can actually look at. Do we have pipes anywhere? What was the file that had pipes in it? Bot main? No, there's no pipes here. This seems bearable, but I could not deal with this for too long. I don't have pipes there. What? Does this have pipes? Really, this has pipes somewhere. Pipes? What was I looking at that had pipes? Surely this has pipes. Yeah, there we go. There's a pipe. Oh, you don't use it. It's solely found to make you go insane. I gotcha. I got you. Swords Child, hello. Welcome back. Torfin says, did you know about Twitch Prime? Yeah. On Nightly, hello. Let's deal with the theme for another 10 minutes. Yeah. If it's a really bad theme, I will just take your channel points and override it. This one I can deal. Not the worst. It's not great, but it's not the worst. Okay. What do we need to do? Run books, refresh patches, Ubuntu Focal. Oh god, what have I done? That's not good. Why did you fail? Get merge, no edit, upstream. Merging is not possible because you've unmerged files. What the fuck happened here? God, all my scripts are breaking today. What the hell? This worked fine before. Why are you broken? Oh. This should never happen. There's a conflict in like every file. Yeah, this should always be a clean merge. What the hell happened here? Oh. I'm somehow missing alpha 5. That's really weird. That's really fucked up. Okay. How do I fix this? I think we need to... I think we need to do this. Then we need to cherry pick this. Oh, this is gonna be a mess. Then we need to tag. Oh. Oh, actually, if this exists already, we can just do this. Then, how do we get the alpha 6 is the next problem. Delete you. Then cherry pick you. Oh, something is super fucked up here though. What if I just re-import the upstream again? Is that gonna work? Oh, this is missing the pristine tar data too. Shit. How did I do this? How did I mess this up so bad? What was I doing last time? I must have been distracted by chat. This theme is rough, yeah. I like how your eyes popped out when you saw wall red. Tom says, is there a reason you wrote get status twice, or do you just need more time to think? I don't fucking know. I run ls and get status without thinking about it all the time. 28 minutes into stream and Anthon already regrets waking up today. Yeah. Wait, what is this? What is this clip? That's not good. Yeah. Running get status is just a habit of mine. Yeah. If you look at my most common commands that I've run, it's get status ls. And that's it. Those are like the top two. I run those all the time. Okay, we're missing the pristine tar data, so that's bad also. So I think I need to reset this branch back to here, then re-import 3 alpha 5, and somehow get the pristine tar data back. How am I gonna do that? Reset back to alpha 4. See what this does. Tag already exists. How did I do this? Because I had to have built this. It's really messed up. Maybe we don't need the 3.5 pristine tar data. This might just work. Hopefully. It's Oliver. Hello, welcome. Jam Toscano, welcome to the stream. Mustack, hello, welcome back. Ooh, that rhymed. Let's see what this does. I'm hoping I don't need the pristine tar data for alpha 5. That's my prey. Akiba Med says, what are the benefits of using this keyboard? Well, the idea behind it is it's meant to be ergonomic and that your hands are at a natural shoulder width apart and you know, planed inwards. You can't really tell from the camera, but it's propped up. So that's kind of the idea there. Who's ready to see Apple unveil more overpriced stuff in 30 more minutes? Yeah, exactly. Okay, this seems fine. So I don't know how I broke this, but it might be in a good state now. Please work. Please work. Yes. Okay. Oh boy. I somehow recovered that. I don't know how it broke, but I don't really care. I can't afford to anymore. Someone apply memes. Oh, you got another theme? Very dark Visual Studio Code. You've just set everything to black. No. Don't do this. Also, you can do this in like 3 lines. You don't need the whole theme for that. Apple event watch party. I think I would get taken down for that. I'm pretty sure they have like pretty strict things about it. Come on, HH. Hello, welcome back. Cubic Soul, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Apple's new ARM chips are impressive. Oh, you've ruined us with a light theme. I think I actually downloaded this theme the other day, Kevin. Samuel Isami, thank you for the follow. Welcome. But thank you, Kevin. Actually, this isn't a terrible theme if you invert it. This actually looks kind of nice. Look at this theme of inverted. Alabaster, it's the theme I use. I see. It has dark variants as well. A light theme that's not flashbang? What is this madness, right? I mean, it's pretty It's pretty bright. Okay, this is building. Let me put my face on and log into my password manager real quick. Yeah, watch someone recover my passwords from my like muscle movements in my arm. Why am I going to Twitter? That's not what I want. I want AWS. I like how my brain just immediately was like, yeah, type in twitter.com. That's how fucking brain broken I am. Oh, everyone's favorite time, captcha time. Ready? Number. 7. 7. 7. Damn, they're really on about their 7s and 1s today. This is actually pretty nice, Mustache. Not bad. Not bad. So I woke up today and had a text message that was like, your delivery is scheduled for 3 days. And I'm like, what did I buy? What is showing up? I have no idea. I literally have no idea what's going to show up in 3 days. Where is this? But something is going to show up at my house. Motherfuck. It changed right as I was typing it in. Here's a screenshot of all the variants. Oh. Interesting. Okay. Auto update day. From yesterday. Because I forgot to do it yesterday. This looks much worse on my screen. Oh god. Yeah, that would be quite the theme. What did you order when you were drunk? I don't know. The weird thing is it's like it's from DHL, which is usually like freight delivery. So like or international delivery. It's either international or freight delivery. So it's something that I probably ordered like months ago and just completely fucking forgot about. Supply chain finally able to fulfill an order from 2 years ago. Yeah, right, HexRegex? Maybe. Surprise onesie? Speaking of surprise onesie, we may be doing a onesie stream soon. No promises yet, but we may be doing a onesie stream soon, which will be cool. Xnalo says, haven't ordered anything from Amazon in like 4 days. Yeah, same. I checked my Amazon orders. That was the first thing that I did. I was like, there's nothing there. But Jingtron says, did you get your theme bot command working? You seemed pretty frustrated yesterday. Yes, it works. Whoops. So now anyone can spend channel points and change the theme. This is the one that Kevin Sjoberg just changed it to. Devil's Ass and Amit Dev, thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. 12-hour onesie stream. I mean, we might do a 12-hour stream. I don't think I could live a 12-hour onesie stream. That'd be pretty next level. But all right, CloudVatch. Crowns, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. CloudVatch for the auto update day dashboard. Yes. Although this is gonna be wrong because we have to look a day back, more than a day back, 3 days back, and then zoom in on the shark spike, which how do you make it maybe I lose resolution at this zoom because I want to see the 1 minute window rather than the 5 minute window. I don't know if there's a way to do that though. I don't know. There's a way to do that. But anyway, here's auto update day. We still have a spike, but the spike was only 25 and not as bad as before. Oh, actually, these are 10-minute ranges. Wait, why are there fewer points for this than there are for the other one? It's kind of weird. These are 5-minute ranges or 3-minute ranges? I don't fucking know. Anyway, this seems fine. Let's see how many got queued. Jenktron says, what was the missing piece? I don't remember where I was stuck, to be honest. I think we mostly got the idea working pretty quickly. And then we spent most of the stream like playing around with tests and stuff. And then like trying to make it not not just arbitrary code execution. Tim Mateo says you're from Nova. You might be confusing me with someone else? What do you mean, Tim Mateo? What's Nova? Oh, North Virginia. No. I just have my... This is the Amazon region. The US East one is in Northern Virginia. Yeah. easy confusion. I'm in Michigan, which doesn't have an AWS region. US East 2 would be closer to me, but doesn't matter. North Virginia is like the cheapest region, which is why I use it. Okay, let's see how many repos got in queue. It should be somewhere around like 11 or 12,000. Logs, groups, auto update or periodic. I should change my retention, although when there's only 38k, like, does it really matter? 11,188 repos. We got trips and dubs in this. Nice. Quite a few. Let's look at metrics. And do these over a 3-day period. See, these ones we can keep period to 1 minute. Why can't we keep the other ones? This, I believe it's, wait, 3/7? 3/7 was Monday, yeah. We want 1620 UTC, because that's when it starts. Just a coincidence that it's 420. And this is the spike, which actually isn't that bad. This seems fairly reasonable. If we put it to 5 minutes so we get a little smoothing. Yeah, not bad. Almost continuous runs. 1 requeue. Let me mouse over this. Why are you not? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, chat. Uh-oh. Low disk. Uh-oh. That's not good. Uh-oh. Yeah, we're like basically full up. Usually we can free up Docker images and that'll get us back to... You can use by container. We have some undone containers. And then we'll make our... to Jammy. I don't need Xenial, although we'll need it later. We can get rid of the key image. That'll get us back to a better thing. Should also clean up some stuff. All right, now we have 5 gigs of space. That should hopefully hold us over for a month. Hopefully. Have you made your remade your VM yet? No, we're gonna do it when Jammy comes out. Jammy. Maybe what you have coming in the mail is a bigger drive. No, this VM is kind of intentionally tiny. It's only 40 gigs. But the next one I'll make at least 100. At least 100. I satisfied says, Anthony, I'm getting confused in all the subprocess functions. Run, call, check output, check call, etc. Also, schleck's necessary in some cases. You should not need schlecks in most cases. I've been meaning to do a video about all the various functions in there, but they mostly use run under the hood, and so they're all various wrappers that are convenient or inconvenient. But yeah. Is Podman better than Docker? I wouldn't say better, it's different. I have a video where I go over kind of the differences and why I choose Podman, so you can check that out. My framework laptop is coming. Ooh, nice, nice. Can we make it dynamic based on the usage? It should grow automatically like auto scaling. Disks are not that clever. They do not have nice things like that. Okay, this built. That's good. Oh, we don't have symbols builds anymore, so I don't have to check for them. Nice. Okay, so 3.11 alpha 6 is fine, but the nightly is fucked. So we gotta fix the nightly. Oh, I hate the nightly. It's such a pain in the ass. I don't even know if anyone uses it, is the other problem. Because I don't have any usage statistics. Partially because usage statistics are per package name, and the package name gets updated every day. So it sucks. But they're dynamically allocated ones, but you need to give it a max size up front. Yeah, yeah. And they're much slower. Oh, it's a drop song. Let's go. Yeah, gotta get my GPG password. Are they? Fuck, I just made a VM. Yeah, fixed size is much faster. But it takes a lot longer to set up in the initial setup, but Ubuntu Bionic, and this one we can just yeet because we do not need to worry about rebuilding because we just built Focal. Drop song in 2 streams in a row. Yeah, it's kind of weird because I thought I started the post at the end, but it looks like it looped back around to the beginning, which doesn't make sense because we're like 60 songs in. Maybe the playlist glitched. Can I speed up 2x faster my code in Python, or is it better to rewrite it in Go? Depends on what you're trying to do. You could try running it with PyPy. That can often give you like a 6x speed up for no effort. Chico Codes, hello, hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. How you been? Okay, so we have the easy ones out of the way. Now we gotta do the hard ones. Not looking forward to fixing those other ones. PyPy doesn't help? Why not? Why doesn't it help? Usually it does. You can also try MyPyC or Nuetka or Python or various other things. But PyPy is usually going to get your best bang for your buck. I tested. Well, without knowing more about your system, I can't really help you. I would need to know like what libraries you're using, like how you're doing other stuff. Oh, we got somebody who didn't read the README. Oh, they maybe did read the README. Or they did search the issue tracker. Good job, AA generated username. You got there in the end. Wait, I feel like there's somebody in chat. Is this somebody in chat? I feel like this name is familiar. Who are you? Are you in chat? Can probably figure it out. Let's see. No, they didn't make a commit there. That's not them. They're all forks. We have a non-fork. They're all forks. Never mind. I don't know who it is. It was generated by AI, clearly. Yeah. Yeah. The Reamd? Yes, the Reamd. Why does the tag get set as Debian? Because reasons. So the tool I'm using is called GBP, Git Build Package. And it's intended for Debian. And Ubuntu is a Debian derivative, so it also uses dpackage and the similar apt build system stuff. And GBP hardcodes a lot of assumptions about Debian, and so everything is called Debian. Yeah, so even though, yeah, I have to do like a bunch of weird stuff to make the branches named Ubuntu, but I didn't bother fixing the tags, and the tags don't really matter. No one really uses them. But yeah. GitHub stream sniping, yeah, exactly, Hex Subjects. Is that you, Cowie Life? Cool. Spaceberry, welcome back. Good to see you. Is it water time, Oscar Allen? It's getting pretty close to water time. Also, welcome back. Good to see you. I'm like almost out here. Okay. We got the first thing done. Now for the regret thing. So let me just make sure that I didn't fuck up the branches again. So this should have alpha 5 and alpha 6. Okay, good. And this one, we couldn't get the alpha 5 back, but we don't really need it unless somebody tries to rebuild alpha 5, and then good luck, have fun. But hopefully no one cares about that. Then everything else is pushed. Right. Yep. Excuse me. Little hip up there. Okay, this one seems good. Now on to the next one. The one full of regrets. Oh, you were just memeing. Okay, I see. Yes, my job is a little complicated. It's a little complicated right now. Okay, how the fuck? Right. Man, someone's gonna have to change the theme. Otherwise you're all gonna fail. You're gonna fail. You're gonna just have to deal with light themes. Xnoah says, my friend just realized he didn't put any allowances, not 0, just left it blank on his W4 for last year, which means no federal tax. What? Holy shit. Oh, that sucks. Oh no. Yeah, I keep having to put a larger number because I make money from stream. I keep forgetting to factor that into W4, so it ends up being a big tax burden at the end of the year. Well, not a big tax burden because I don't really make much from stream, but enough that it's like, oh, well, there's a rising chunk of change I have to pay. But paying taxes at the end of the year is, you know, usually a good thing because it means you got a free loan from the government. Oh, you just want to see if I update the command. Okay, cool. Cool. Nice, makes sense. Okay, so I think we actually just need to do the... Here's the fucking command. This one. Dot, and then Ubuntu focal. What else is on this line? Oh, just getting the rest of that. Okay, and so then we need to run the build of this a bunch of times and figure out where things are broken. Oh, I don't think this fails early either, which is gonna suck. I think this fails after 1,300 lines of output. Oh, that's maybe fairly early on. Oh, this is gonna be such a pain in the ass to figure out. But anyway, I'm gonna go fill up my water. I will be right back, and I will see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. For non-Americans, what does that mean? Oh, so what a W-4 is at the beginning of the year you declare how much money you are going to make outside of your job. That way your work can properly deduct the amount of tax money and pay your taxes up front for you, essentially. It's called a withholding. And if you misrepresent the value there, like if you underdo the value, then you'll have to pay more money at tax time, or if you overdo the value, you'll get a refund at tax time. And you generally want to optimize it so you pay 0, or you pay some slight amount of money. And if you pay too much at the end of the year, they'll give you a fine on top of it, and if you refund too much at the end of the year, they'll put a fine on top of it as well. You're kind of punished if you do and punished if you don't. And what happened with Xnilo's friend is they left the line blank, and leaving the line blank is different from withholding 0. It's or different from saying that I make externally 0. It means that you withhold 0, and so at the end of the year you have to pay your entire tax burden at once, which is usually not great for financial planning or anything else. And you'll get a fine on top of it because you'll owe a fuck ton of money. But yeah, it's a real pain in the ass. For non-Americans, what he's explaining is what we all do, but if you're rich, you can just find loopholes and not pay anything. Yeah, it's pretty true. If you pay too much, you have to pay more. Yes. Yeah, this system's super fucked. I got 2,400 back this year. A lot of that was COVID relief tax credit. I haven't done my taxes this year. I have to do them still. I was going to do them this weekend, but then I played Pokemon instead. Yeah. Infinite self-responsibility. But anyway, okay, so this should have failed, which is good. This failed way sooner than it should have. Oh, because I ran the wrong command. Ran the wrong command. I ran the wrong command. This is the command that I want. Damn. Oh well. Priorities, yeah. Half my taxes are easy this year, and half my taxes are really fucking hard this year. Because this is the first year that I'm paying business taxes, and I don't know anything about business taxes. I've done all the other forms before, so I'm not concerned about those. But I have no RSUs this year, so that's easy. I did move those, so that's going to be more complicated, but I don't think it's going to be a super big problem deal. But Snake Sauce says, pretty bad question. I'm an application developer who wants to get more into streaming coding and application development. Do you have any cool ideas I could steal for a stream format? Like stuff you wish you saw other Twitch streamers doing? So for me, streaming programming is, for me, I don't put any special effort into scheduling or doing anything. It's basically just I'm working on projects that I would work on without streaming, and I just broadcast exactly what I'm doing, talk about how I'm approaching it, answer questions in chat, which admittedly I think is the most important part. I don't really think that programming streams need to have fancy tech. My keyboard cam is probably the fanciest tech that I have, and it's not even that fancy. I've upgraded my my microphone and my camera and stuff, so it looks a little bit nicer. But my scenes are fairly basic. I have a face scene, I have a programming scene, and then I have a be right back screen, and that's basically it. I guess I have my getting started screen as well. But yeah, I try and keep stream as simple as possible to I don't know, to make it easy for me to manage and not be distracting from the actual content. Fixed Jake says, I've learned a ton just from hanging out over the past year and a half, so really interaction is the biggest thing for me. Yeah. I think that's I think that's the most important part of streaming stuff. Not sure if you heard, but we can adjust our federal withholding now for RSUs. Finally, no more estimated tax payments. Yes, I have heard about that. Unfortunately, I'm not sure how I'm going to possibly adjust my withholding given non-IPO'd RSUs, because I do have stocks from Stripe, but I don't get taxed on them until they mature. So yeah, I don't know what the fuck's gonna happen there. But thank you once again for being so generous with your time and answering my question. Yeah, no problem. I mean, that's what chat's about. The tax bill will come. Yes. Man, the Lyft tax bill was fucking nuts. Also kind of bullshit because you're taxed at the IPO price and not the exercise price, but that's the way things go. Honestly, it's nice to see other devs doing dev work. It's like having a coworker as you do your own dev work. Indeed. Yeah, a lot of people put me on in the background because I make apparently good background noise or good sleep noise or however else people want to consider it. Okay, so here's our problem. Undefined reference to pi error check signals. This is exactly the problem that we had before, and I'm pretty sure it is caused by the patch. Actually, before we do that, let's finish up auto update day stuff, which is we look at the total number of runs and we look at errors, because I don't know. I think there's 0, but I also don't know. The fuck? Where's my? Why did they change this dashboard again? This is the one that I care about. They moved it. Runs. Are we up to 500,000? Did we make it? Are we there, chat? Yo! Let's go! 500,000 runs! Man, if you would have told me a year ago I was at like 5,000 runs. If you would have told me that I would 100x that in a year. Fucking insane. So that's pretty cool. 500,000 runs is pretty legit. Let's see about SQS, see if we have errors. Nice. Zeros. Zeros are what I want to see there. Cool. I think one other thing that we'll do with pre-commit.ci while we're here, pre-commit.ci runner image, is upgrade the runner image. I want to do that now. That'd be kind of annoying. I think I'm gonna do this on Sunday. So remind me, or maybe on Saturday. Remind me on Saturday to bump this. Which is gonna be annoying anytime I do it. Oh. Hold on. What to do here? We'll do it some other time. The annoying part is setup tools. It's always setup tools. It's always fucking setup tools. I've been using VODs to watch while I'm at work in the background. Nice. Watching you just makes me more productive. I feel like I should be doing something. Oh no. Sleeping to devs cursing as their code fails to run. I mean, yeah. How's it going, No Husty? Welcome to the stream. I can never sleep to devs working. I already have enough nightmares about my code. Oh no. Tofufu is gonna dip real quick. Sounds good. See you in a bit. And y'all are tuning into the Apple event. I see. That's why my viewer count just dropped. It makes sense. Okay, let's find that commit that we found, which is this one. So we need to find this setup.bootstrap thing and figure out how it gets generated. Bootstrap is just generated from config.status, and then it gets passed into here. Debian rules. Oh, we're gonna typo the word bootstrap over and over, aren't we? Yeah, it's here. How did we fix this before? I don't remember. Make setup -c -s. Okay, so here is the call to make setup, which is what this is. So this needs to change to not have this on it, I think. And then we need to generate this via this. I think we need to do this. That might be enough. That might be all we need to do. Ooh, the red looks kind of nice here. 1/ Does this work? Okay, let's just try this first. One thing at a time. One thing at a time. Live react to Tim Cook wins. I don't think we're gonna do that. Actually, did I do this alright? Oh, we already did this already. Kind of. But not really. Setup.bootstrap.in. That file doesn't exist anymore. presumably I can do this. I don't know, let's try this. Fix reference to modules setup.bootstrap. See what happens. Please work. Please be that simple. Otherwise I will be sad. What is Dead Snakes? Literally, there's literally a link. You can literally just click the link. It takes you to GitHub and tells you exactly what it is. It's so simple, Qualsy. What's keyboard? Yeah. It's literally that. Yeah. Yeah. Literally that. Super straightforward. I'm embarrassed. No, you're fine. Don't worry about it. We got a noodle too. The noodle makes up for it. What do you get when Dead Snakes gets fried dead snacks? Okay. The fried dead snacks. The snacks become snacks. Oh, did this get fixed finally? Only took them like 6 months to fix? But this used to not let you scroll down. Oh, it's still broken. It's still broken. I can't scroll down to the bottom of the page. Where is the original screenshot here? Huh. Wait, where did this fucking thing come from? I have a message from March 8th, but it's not in this thread. Maybe there's another issue? Maybe I duped this twice? Where did this ticket go? I have a ticket. It's just like this doesn't exist anywhere. Maybe they realized there was a mistake and they deleted it. I guess it's not fixed. I don't really give a shit. I'm not gonna use this anymore. Did you see the new Pips layout? No. Pep 8. Guy GitHub Sport, yeah. I mean, Guy is a fairly popular name. This looks the same. Do you mean in the GitHub repo? This doesn't look updated. This looks the same. What do you mean? What do you mean, Drunk Time Lord? Hey, what's up, Zephyr? Says, do you have GitHub source for tree structure calling web pages? It sounds like you just word vomited. What are you trying to say? JDMSY, good to see you again. Yes, long time no see indeed. Baggy theme for 10,000 points, no more theme debugging? Yeah, because it works. Well, we found a bug already, but it works. This is the theme that Kevin donated. Okay, I think that fixed the bug? Question mark? It seems to be working now. We'll see if it gets far enough into the build though. Computer died, couldn't buy a GPU, finally got one. Oh, that sucks. Oh, that's rough. It should be illegal to name your child Guy. Yeah, it's kind of a rough name. Guy Fieri, though? Do you think Guy Fieri was actually named Guy, or did he change it to be be a stage name? Why did Guy Fieri change his name? Oh, he changed his surname. "26 things you didn't know about Guy Fieri." Damn, they really did him dirty in this photo. He looks like a washed up member of Smash Mouth. Wait, his middle name is Ramsey? What? What? That's wild. Oh, GitHub Pages version of this? This doesn't feel better. Also, I bet that if I do this... Oh, they fixed it. This Sphinx theme used to do really poorly if you stretched the window really far. Dick Sword is down. Oh no. Wouldn't be a day ending in Y. Just sharing examples of wrapping a context manager in a class. Yeah, I have a few videos on that. Although I think the code in my video is slightly wrong. Nesting context managers with classes. Yeah, there's a slight bug in this, but it gets pretty close to the right thing. Maybe check out that one. Yeah, usually it's, you know, do double under enter and double under exit. Deganon, hello, welcome. We set the MOTD to a giant noodle. It's a pretty big noodle. The two nice things are dark theme and syntax highlighting. You see, I don't give a shit about dark themes, so each their own. Okay, I think this is working. Knock on wood. Which is great that it was only a 3-character change. I am a little bit sus that it's not working, because that seemed too simple. But I'll take it. Fuck it, right? Okay. The other thing that I want to do today with deadsnakes. Actually, maybe we won't do this with deadsnakes. Maybe we'll do that later. I have another thing that I've been meaning to do, which is to add opengraph tags to pre-commit.ci, such that when you paste it into Discord, it actually shows something. And I used to do, I did the ones for Yelp a long time ago, but I'm pretty sure they've changed since then. Is it possible for you to successfully compile here but end up with a broken Python? Yes and no. There are certain parts of the Python build that can be broken without the build failing, but most of the stuff that breaks usually is the build fails. And for the other things that are likely to fail and that have failed in the past, I have a set of tests for them. So it validates like the SSL module, the curses module, the math module, the a bunch of other modules. Where'd you get this emote? It's from Drunk Time Lord's stream. He ripped my idea. That's where that comes from. Drunk Time Lords are just like shitty ripoffs of my emotes. Oops. There's the original. But I mean, to be fair, most Twitch emotes are like, oh, that's a good idea. I should do that for mine. Your email was MIT, not intentionally. Not intentionally, but it ended up being that way. But I drew it in paint, yeah. Damn it, Qualsy! Why you gotta taunt me with this emote? I love it so much, but I don't have it. And I'm sad. I have like a bunch of the other haha ones, but I don't have the one that I wanted. It's disappoint. Disappoint. And you just gotta taunt me. Let's see, open graph. Images. Yeah. Did somebody right click our emotes? Yeah, right. Welcome back, deadsnakes. Good to see you again. Okay, so I gotta add these meta tags, I guess, is the thing. Okay, so it's not different than it was before. Not different than it was before. Hey, wait, what did Jazz Lucy get bonked for? Wait, yeah, wait. what? What happened? It's a preemptive bonk. Oh no. Bonk penny. I don't know what that means. Joke I don't understand. Okay, so I think I just need these meta tags. How do I debug them? Open graph debugger. Can I just upload source? Not gonna log in to Facebook on stream. That's not gonna go well. I just want a little app that I can download and run. Is that too hard to ask? Is that so hard to ask? All these want me to like use their fucking service or type in a URL. Upload a picture? What? What a fucking weird recommended size. Oh god. That was a risky click. Me getting bonked for no reason is a meme? I see. I see. I see. I understand. I mean, I don't, but I will pretend to understand. Hey, it's finished. Cool. Then we have to do the same thing for Bionic. Okay, and that should fix the nightly builds. Tokishim, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I have a few of these to integrate. Oh, I have a lot of these to integrate. Oh boy. Yeah, we're not accepting this one. Let's see, did they fix this? We're gonna have to good code change like it goes because this repo conflicts a lot. Yeah, looks like they fixed that. They will get Kitty Cat. Hey, what's up along with Chris? Hello, hello. Maybe there's a Chrome plugin? Maybe. But I think I can probably just use this one and I'll just put an image in it. Yeah, we'll probably just put like the pre-commit.ci logo. Probably good enough. Okay, merged that one. pipenv setup. He did not fix any of these things, I don't think. Nope, they have not fixed any of those things. Be ignoring this one. YAML fix. Much simpler. Okay, so we need a good code change like a ghost. This one. Want to see me doing a cringy intro to a MyPack course? Oh boy. Not necessarily, but how long is it? Get through mods, add this, get at GitHub, this, pre-commit.com. Oh boy. Oh, merge conflict thing looks a little fucky. I don't mind if you don't show it on stream. It's so bad. Well, if you're not proud of your own work, then what's the point, right? Do they force capitalization here? Or do they not give you a choice there? Alright, you ready for the cringe chat? You signed up for this. You pasted the link trunk, Time Lord. Oh wait, we gotta hold on. I actually open it on YouTube. Okay. I didn't realize I didn't realize this how young you were. This isn't bad. I would like clean up your background, but seems fine. I would zoom in a little bit on your code too. Oh, maybe I should view this not in 480p. Okay, it's not bad. Yeah, I would zoom this in a little bit. Text is a little small, maybe. I feel like this is a bad example to show, because I wouldn't type annotate this. How did you hide the code here? Did you use DOM inspector for this? Oh, maybe you just have the reamd opened? No, how did you do this? Inspector? You deleted it? Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. This is kind of small too. Torch shipping high quality bug free code? Oh, that's fucking hilarious. Shit. I checked for my own curiosity and there's a handful of localhost opengraph debugger plugins. I see. Sally the Goose says, long time lurker here. I like your stream. Awesome. Well, welcome, welcome. Anthony is thinking I can take him. I mean, I'm not gonna try and fight people half my age, but yeah. Tell that to my team. That's why I like these videos, because unlike other YouTubers, his code is big enough. Yeah, that's the thing. I still get like tons of comments that are like, "Oh, code's too small on my phone," and I'm like, listen. PyTorch is the most popular repo I found that used MyPy. Yeah. Context lib with iterator enters the room. Yeah. Hank Tank, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hey, my code is still bad with MyPy. I want my money back. Yeah, exactly. Hey, what's up, RoastBQ? Hello, hello. Perfect for smaller screens like an Android. Yeah, that's the other thing. It's like a bunch of people watch my videos on phones and they're like, this is fine. But then some people are like, it's too small. Your code looks super small and watching stream from my phone, please fix. Yeah, exactly. Anyway, seems fine. Seems fine to me. Right, we rebasify this. Yes, so now we can do the approval dance and give them a kitty cat or a doggo. Meow. I like how this still has the watermark on it. Funny, cute gifs. Generic watermark there. Tank, thank you for the sub. Appreciate that. The two small people probably use a very small phone from 2005 because new phone's bad. Did I just hear an approval dance? Yes, the approval dance. Moving out next month. Gonna get a cat finally. Oh. New phone's bad though? Yeah, well, just phone's bad in general. IME. Right, they didn't do that. What is this one about? Why did I never read this? Renovate Helm releases. Oh, because the Renovate people are toxic as fuck. Oh. Closing given the archive notice in the repo. Easy. And then this one, which I will have to rebase, but seems fine otherwise. Pre-commit.ci. Get a bun bun? Oh, a bun bun. Finally someone who else agrees with all phones bad? Yeah. I just don't like using my phone. I don't like making phone calls. I don't like navigating websites. I don't like responding to emails. I don't like texting. Maps are okay. That's like the one thing I'm okay using my phone for. Because GPS devices fucking sucked. And RM. I'm surprised no one else has changed the theme. Are you guys okay with this light theme, or are you just channel points poor? I'm poor, thank you. Okay, I see. Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. Roast me. And no games? What do you mean, Choco to Cove? What do you mean no games? I mean, I haven't written any games, or I'm playing games, or I'm not playing games on stream? Yeah, we don't play games on stream very often. Wait, did I fuck this up? I fucked this up. I rebased wrong. I forgot to fetch first. Continue. There we go. Oh, you mean on my phone? Yeah, no, I don't play games on my phone. Oh, well, I have like one game on my phone, which is actually let's see if Android Studio is still broken. Oh, it might actually be working today. Hey, there we go. I can show you my Android game that I made back in 2012. Which is yeah, I have one game on my phone which I wrote, by the way. I have a couple of games on my phone, but I don't really play them. Like I used to have a Minesweeper game, but then the developers sold their app to a sketchy third party that started harvesting data. I haven't found a good Minesweeper app to replace it. And I have the Settlers of Catan game, but once you realize how the AI works, the game's just like really easy. And I have a euchre game, and that one, once you know how the AI works, it's also super easy. So yeah, this is the only game that I can't really cheese. If it ever fucking loads, what is going on here? Hello? Do I have to press run again? Hello? JVM, yeah, that's why it's taking so long to start up. Carmichael says, I have a video idea how to GDB debug a C extension. I already have that video. And I'm actually going to upload another video related to that in a couple days. Based on some stuff we did on stream recently. This one. A Python stack trace from GDB. Where, man, I should have shaved that day. What was I doing? And so I was showing, this was the thing that we got stuck before. Yay, spinny dots. But here we got it stuck. Found the PID. And then poked at it with strace. And then ran it with GDB to figure out the C stack trace. And then found the debug GDB plugin. And then got the Python stack trace. Anyway, that's a preview of that video. It's gonna come out in a few days. So yeah. Fuck. Okay, we're gonna kill the emulator and start a new one. Maybe that will fix it. Oh, there's a little prop up here. Maybe that was the problem. But yeah, that'll be out soon. Are you gonna work this time? Do you have virtualization enabled? Yeah, this usually works. Use your actual phone with script. No, I mean this usually works. Ken more like can only be on my phone if I wrote it. Kinda. If you already have the video, it must be a good idea. Yeah, I mean, maybe. How do you set debug flags properly? My build extensions always jump around. Oh, you have to rebuild from source using the debug Python if you actually care about your source mapping. Usually for me, I'm not debugging the actual source, and I'm just trying to find where it breaks. And usually the C trace is good enough there. But yeah, usually if you build a virtual environment using the debug Python, it'll build your extension with the debug flags. Imagine introvert people without phones in a social gathering. That's the other thing, is like I don't fucking know what to do on my phone, and I am not the most social person. So I'll just be like on my phone at a and not always, this is just sometimes. I'll be on my phone at a social gathering and being like, what the fuck do I do? I've just opened and closed the same tab 100 times. What am I doing? Why is this not working? What the fuck is going on? Terminate. Oh, there we go. I had to power the phone on, apparently. Stupid emulator. But yes, this is my Ken game where there are, it's a Latin square, so it has not the same number in any row or column, and it has cages with a number and a math symbol. So this is 3 times. So that must be, oh, I have it in hard mode. This must be a 1 and a 3 in either of these 2 spots. This must be a 5 and a 6 in either of these 2 spots. If you see 2 numbers that are stacked, that means you can't see them anywhere else in the row. So there can't be a 5 or a 6 in any of these, and there can't be a 1 or a 3 in any of these. That means this has to be a 2, this has to be a 3, etc., etc. And that's just kind of how this game works. And I play this game a whole fucking lot. So yeah, that's my Ken game. Optimus James, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. This has to be what? 2, 5, 6. Yeah. 2, 5, 6. That has to be 1 and 5 and 4 and 3. That makes this a 1. 2, 6. This has to be a 4. This has to be 2, 5, 6 as well. But I usually play on 9x9. But anyway, that's my game. I spend an absurd amount of time playing this game. But yeah, that's my Ken game. Lynch says you're always mentally sharp, not always newly shaved. Okay, all right. welcome, Lynch. Good to see you again. Welcome back, Tofu. Rose Red, Violence Boo, Unexpected Semicolon on line 42. Yeah, exactly. It inherits the right build flags. Yep, indeed. What do you think about PyCharm? It's too slow for me. You can lock your emulator? Yeah, I don't know why that's a thing. Oh, Jess Lucy has changed the theme. How terrible is it? Do I have a Babby window open? I don't have a Babby window open. Why does this look the same as what Kevin's was? Oh, error could not parse theme. Oh, I see. And it doesn't refund you your points. Why did your theme break though? Oh, because you have the same... Wait, no, that's fine. Yeah, wait, why did this fail? I wish it told... I'd tell why. Here, let's see. Okay, we have a bug in our theme validator. Fuck. Why though? Because it seems to work fine. There's something obviously broken here. No, I never did validation for that. So these sometimes being a list and sometimes not is a little weird. Okay, I'm gonna refund you your points because I fucked up here. And then we're gonna figure out why it's broken. Ayokala, thank you for the follow. Welcome. How do I do that? How do I refund your points? Where's the points thing? Review requests. Okay. We reject that one. Get your points back. Now I gotta figure out why. I gotta figure out why the validator is broken. Ah. Anthony, I think I broke it. Yeah. We'll fix it. Change category to homework. Have you tried Rust? I have, but Beast P2Y. I would rather write Rust than C or C++. Well, than C. Maybe C and C++ or C++ is about the same as Roost for me. Topic of the Apple event. You saw the smaller iPhones make a comeback. Yeah, we're gonna... Society's gonna cycle back and forth between small and big phones forever. Maybe it didn't like that it's secret. It should still work. Shh. Oh wait, what was the link that you gave? Oh, it might not know how to download this link. That's probably what it is. Because it goes through a redirect and it just gets an HTML page as the intermediate. So if you would have pasted this link, it would have worked. So I don't know where you got the short link from. Oh, that's weird. That is weird. That's really weird. Huh. Because other people were able to make it work. Yeah. Huh. Gists are like slightly broken. You need to link to the raw link. That's the problem. And I would like to make it so my bot can refund you points, but my bot would have to be a moderator then. And it's not going to happen often enough, so I don't think it's that much of a pain in the ass. But yeah, I think if you use the raw link, it works fine. Here, we can try it with my infinite points. Change Babby theme. Reward is on cooldown. Can I not? Really? I can't override my own cooldown? That's so stupid. That's so dumb. Okay, well, we're gonna have to do this the hard way then. We're gonna change the cooldown temporarily. Edit. Turn off, save. Now we press the button. Did it work that time? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, you have to use the full link to it. Can't just use the other one. Well, we learned something. Yeah, because it wouldn't be able to know how to get the right subfile out of the gist. All right, cooldown back. Okay, well, you got a free theme change. Out of making a mistake. But yeah, this theme looks kind of nice. I could use this theme. Seems kind of schmoovin'. Generated directly in VS Code, so I doubt it's broken. Yeah, yeah. It's just the URL is wrong. JSON-C isn't valid. JSON. Yeah, I have a little JSON-C thing parser. So there is a JSON-C parser. Says she. Does it come at the end of the colors object? Yeah, no, we have a JSON-C parser. It's fine. Do you know C++? I know a lot of C++. Yeah. Yeah. Next time the raw one. Yep, indeed. Did you mean rewrite, robust, secure? Yeah. Yeah. That just didn't pop enough for me. I think the comment is a little bit dark, but other than that, it's kind of nice. Yeah. It's a good theme. Yeah, I agree. You just change your color again. Did you change it to this? But yeah, it's nice. It's nice. I like it. Okay, what was I doing? I forget. We were good code changing like a ghost. Yes, and then merging this. Yes. Where I got distracted. Review, approve, and merge. I like how they used underscores here, dashes here, underscores in the repo name. Of course, underscores in the file name. Underscores here, probably set up CFG format did that. And dashes here. And I told them to change this to dashes. But consistency. Does Babby support text shadows? No. Because terminals don't support text shadows. No, wouldn't work. Oh, is this a built-in theme? Oh, fun. Oh, a synthwave theme. I don't know what that means. What is synthwave? Okay, opengraph. Meet data. Meet data is my brain broken way of saying metadata because I think it's funny, and maybe you do too. So now you'll be inside my brain about meet data. Fixorid incidents. Wait. Identified and then investigating. Press X to doubt on this one. We found the root cause. JK. Love when people do that. I hate the lack of contrast between keywords and variables. Let's see. Where do we have a keyword? Keyword variable. That seems fine. Do you mean reserved names? Like the none? I guess none. Is none a keyword? I don't think it is. Oh, it is. Okay. Yeah, it used to not be a keyword. I guess it is a keyword now. Some of the keywords are colored differently. This is weird. A little weird. Look at this beauty. No. That just hurts my eyes. Why would you want an intentionally blurry theme? I mean, the colors look fine. But that just sounds awesome. Or it sounds awful. Is meet data an Indian rail like run train? No. Hey, what's up, Hikaru? Great color scheme. Is that AYU? I don't know. It's whatever Jas Lucy added. Run train is an innuendo. Run train is a. It's a. So it's a bit of a channel meme because GitLab had a feature where there was a button that literally just said run train, and you would click run train to do whatever the fuck a merge train is. I still don't understand. And I commented on a bug report and I was like, hey, you guys know that run train means something and it really isn't appropriate in this setting. And the guy like told me I was violating their code of conduct because I pointed out that they named something really shitty. So that's why chat memes about running trains. But if you don't know what run train is, just look on Urban Dictionary. I'm not going to explain it for you, but it's not something that's appropriate in a pull request. But hey, what's up, Sudden Panda? Hello, hello. And Melty Gear, welcome back. I'm still sticking with One Dark Pro. I see. I played the 5th, yeah. Next features add the power mode. I don't know what power mode is. Is that the like stupid bar at the bottom? No, I don't want a stupid bar at the bottom. Hey, what's up, Gamework? Whoever came up with that name was being incredibly cheeky. I don't think they were being incredibly cheeky. I think they were just completely oblivious. And all of the product people were completely oblivious. And I have to assume ignorance over malicious there, because like Google showed me a large picture of AOC. What? It's not at all what I would expect. No, it's worse. Oh, is Parma the thing where it like jolts when you type stuff? Yeah. Yeah. Or this is like Chris C.M. Griffing's biscuits or whatever it's called. But yeah, I don't think it's possible in the terminal. You could make it jolt in a full line, but I don't think you could do. I don't think you can do subline, unless there's like Unicode modifiers. anyone know if there's a combining character to superscript things but not change their size? I don't think there's Unicode modifiers or textual would use them in its animations. Ugh. Is that like cursor sparkles, but 1,000 times worse? Yeah, yeah. Stopped at 69. Wait, what? Oh, on their on their demo. That's funny. Yeah. Emoji theme, please. What would that do? I mean, you can put emojis into here. But Babby doesn't completely render them properly, and Curses has like a has a crashing thing. List of Unicode characters. Is this really a thing? Combining marks. Main article combining characters. Just list them for me. Oh, here we go. These are all adding things to them. We don't want those. This doesn't have a table. Combining half marks. I think that's what we want either. I don't think those ones render. Reed, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Osu mode is exactly what I've been looking for. Are there others like that? That's funny, Wayloft. Man, there's so many people in my chat that play Osu. I have no idea what it is. But we had somebody yesterday playing Osu. There's one of the people I tutor runs an Osu server. D-Delsp! I have been bamboozled, D-Delsp. How are you doing? Well, welcome back. Thank you for the resub at 15 months. One of my pandemic subs. Good to see you again. Thank you for your continued support. Did you fix the Babby breaking bug, the winch stuff? Yeah, we kind of hacked around it. It is definitely a curses bug, but this is what we're doing to fix it. Which actually, does somebody have macOS? And could try something for me? I'm pretty sure there's a macOS bug that this fixes. Does somebody have macOS? Yeah, okay. So, open up Babby, and then type command plus and minus a bunch of times. And that should trigger the bug. It should either crash or fix. Yeah, we got flashbang, it's true. Kevin says, I'm soon a master of Ansible. Oh. What do you tutor? Whatever people want to know. Yeah, like whatever people are working on and want advice, or you know, I'll do interviews, I'll review resumes, I'll do whatever. I'll do basically whatever people want to know. Yeah. I've used Babby to edit stuff inside Python Docker containers, so thanks for making a pure Python editor. Yeah, it's really nice for that. I mean, it's pure Python. It also installs Oniguruma CFFI, which isn't pure Python, but it's Python installable. Andy Monkey, hello, hello, welcome back. Within reason and ethically, of course. Oh yeah, for sure, yeah. You spelled babies wrong. You spelled babbies wrong. There you go. There you go. If you tutor now, I have this timestamp issue stemming from a C extension. I mean, send me a message and I'll tell you rates and stuff. Got my first software dev job at 41. Been working for 3 weeks now. Nice, that's awesome, Melty here. Congratulations. I was joking. Okay. Does somebody have macOS? Can somebody try this for me? I'm crowdsourcing to Twitch chat. Hey, what's up, Mahamdi? Hovercorn. Hovercorn. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Just finished work. Nice, nice. Nice, nice. Command plus, yeah, and command minus. And if you do it really fast, it should crash. Or at least that's what it used to do. Try downgrading to Babby 100 and see if it crashes. Imagine if the Apple event had chat and you're asking people to repro the bug. Yeah. P. Sanders says, try to Mac and didn't get a crash. How do I quit Babby? You can quit it anyway. Just channel your inner text editor and try any of them and it'll work. Meltigear says, thanks, Anthony. They even gave me an M1 working from home with TypeScript and Python. Ooh, cool. Teaching myself Kafka all day long for my project my team is working on. Nice, nice. Kafka is pretty powerful. Pretty powerful. But yeah, you should be able to reproduce on 100 and then 110 should fix it. 100 instant crash. Sweet! 110 doesn't. Nice. Looks like I accidentally fixed this in 1.1.0 via 202. 202. Thanks again for the issue and first pass at a patch. This is Shaz Robot, by the way. I think Shazapoo knows what's up. 100 dies so fast. 110 is cool. Nice, nice, nice. Both Discord and Spotify is down. Oh, my eye is twitching. I hate it. I hate it. Why is it doing this? Oh. Welcome back, Elfenrod. Good to see you again. I'm trying to learn Python myself. I have a long way to go. I mean, we all do. No one can truly learn everything of everything. Maybe you need to stab your eye. I guess I'm not getting enough sleep. It shouldn't be stress because it's like the least stressed I've been in a real fucking long time. Right. Yeah. Thick characters still aren't working. That's not a thing. This is going to be hard to fix. This is what is probably going to drive me to actually rewrite curses at some point. We got a celebrity that made an issue here. For those of you that no Glyph. I don't know why Glyph was interested in my text editor, but I think this involves rewriting curses as well. Fateh DF, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I've mastered programming. What do you think I should do next? Someone in my chat has asked that before, which is kind of funny. Vitamin B12 can help. You may have answered this already, but in high school, were you a nerd, a bad boy, a jock, or a rocker? Asks Big Blaster. So I think nerd is probably the best category. But I also did sports. I was on baseball and downhill skiing. I also hung out with the band, which I guess falls further into the nerd category, but also musician-ish. But I didn't play band. I played orchestra. But I don't know. I wasn't really. I was in like most of the cliques. I hung out with people from all over. I don't know. I wasn't a bad boy per se. Well, I wasn't. I didn't get in trouble. We'll put it that way. I definitely did some shit that I should have gotten in trouble, but yeah. Your GitHub looks different in light mode? Yeah, well, I only use light mode, but yeah. Twisted fucking triggered. Life's Faded says, no stress around here. Everything working well except that one thing, maybe that other thing, and possibly the other thing too. Yeah, exactly. I was a Docker in high school? What does that mean? What does that mean? Because I don't know if it's slang in your language, but this means a particular thing that is not something that I would just talk about in Twitch chat. Do frameworks pay famous GitHubbers to make projects using their frameworks for money? I don't think so. I don't know. Definitely not chess. Hey now. Oh, I need to do my puzzles today. Maybe I won't do them on stream. I find that I do them much better off stream. Would you play baseball professionally? I wasn't good enough. Were you in AP courses? Yeah, I took a bunch of them. I probably could have been better at baseball if I would have like practiced and actually tried. But I was basically just like, whatever. It's a thing to do. Anything at bonked, that's why we have bonk. Yes, if you go by the British slang of bonk, yes, indeed. This word has an alternate meaning that is maybe not the one that you think it is, Drunk Time Lord. And I'd encourage you to look it up. Anyone interested in some LG Ultrafine 5K display? I'm definitely buying the new Apple Studio display. Are you getting rid of your screen already? Selling out for Apple? Citrus is here. Hello, hello. Looking cause work, but hi Anthony. I hope your keyboard smashing is going splendidly. It is. Thanks for stopping by, Citrus. I know what I'm saying. I only look young. Okay. All right. As long as you understand why declaring that you did docking in high school sounds a little bit weird. But yeah. Waylov says it's a Udemy course by Dr. Angela. It's been great so far. Probably going to look into Discord bots once I finish it. Nice. Yeah, I've heard good things about that about them. Means to unload cargo. Okay, well, maybe try Urban Dictionary then. Crow, how are you doing? Welcome back. Wait, D-Dells, you didn't spend points to change the theme yet. Are you trying to find a terrible theme? It means to unload. Perhaps that is one of the results of that. Wow, I used enum.auto. It's a weird choice of me. Oh, I remember this because we originally had this enum edit results, and then we had the big old string, and then the string got too long, and so we did this. Yes, I remember now. But yeah, so this hack fixes the signal thing. Hey, what's up, the Endless River? Hello, hello. Sorry, I made chat down bad. I feel like that's the default state of chat. Is it not? Jay Phoenix, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Apple displays have been super awesome in the past. There have not been an alternative other than a ridiculous expensive XDR display. So, I mean, that's not strictly true. Like the display that I have in front of me right now, this one, this was sold at the same time an Apple Cinema display of the same size was sold, and they used the same chips, but Apple's was 3 times as expensive. Wait. Oh no. Oh no, Citrus. Oh no. I'm not gonna explain it on stream. I'm gonna let you look that one up on Urban Dictionary. Pause is here. Hello, hello. What did I come back to? Yeah, this is what Drunk Time Lord has done. Do you know Spring? Like Java Spring? Not really. Not really. I've done a little bit of it, but not enough to really help people with it. Trying to eat food with a half numb mouth. Oh, did you go to the dentist or something? Is that a Ramon Miller chair? No. It is not. This is a this chair. Like a $175, $200 chair. It's not a super fancy one, but I like it. That's why I have 2 of them. Let me rephrase that. There's not been a good 5K alternative. Okay, that's fair. Yeah. Look it up on Google Images. No, don't do that. That is a terrible idea. I'm too young. Oh no. Oh no, chat, you can't do this. Anybody says I have hundreds of files with 1 million lines each. Until now, I used a wrapper and ripgrep, but I want to try it in full Python and have some concurrency. What would be the best, in your opinion, between features.threading and async? Well, despite async IO being called async IO, there aren't any good libraries for doing async IO in async IO. As wild as that sounds. Threading would probably be fine since it is IO bound, and it would allow you to do that concurrently. So I would try threading and see if that works well enough. If it doesn't, then try multiprocessing if you're CPU bound. But I don't think async is going to help you here. Don't Google stuff people tell you. It's always weird. Yeah. Check out Cave says, check out this theme. Oh, that's not a browser. Oh yeah, this looks fine. Kind of nifty. Oh, I did it again. I did it again, Citrus. Citrus says nifty all the time. And now I'm saying nifty too. Bring, do you mean carpal tunnel accelerator? Yeah, there you go. I checked you trying Rust. Oh god, that's a weird language. It's confusing for an unprepared mind. I mean, it actually wasn't bad. I just didn't want to do all the tedium to make it work. Got a feeling much more work to be done in the future, but this is on the bottom, which means tongue is half numb. Oh no. Oh no. I'm so confused. Oh yeah, the crying emote, the bully emote, yeah. This solves what kind of high schooler Anthony was, docking trains and stuff. No, that's not what happened, Color Marku. Anthony was a bad noodle, he said to himself. Listen, that was in preschool. That was a little bit different. I don't know if I've told chat this story. So I was a bad kid in preschool. This was before I was diagnosed with ADHD and medicated for it. I threw a chair at my preschool teacher and got in a lot of trouble for it. And I was supposed to be expelled from preschool, but the very teacher that I threw a chair at came to my defense. And the reason she came to my defense was a situation that had happened like a week after I threw the chair at her or something like that. She was leaving school early, and I don't remember her name, but it was but I was like, Miss so-and-so, why are you leaving school early? And she's like, oh, I have to go get my hair cut. And I adorably said to her, but Miss so-and-so, you look pretty just the way you are. And apparently that was enough to win my teacher's heart to not get myself expelled from preschool. On the pic, it looks like your PC is 4 feet tall. Oh yeah, on this picture, it's a little bit misleading. So there's like a cabinet down here. The cabinet stops. Let's see if we can zoom and enhance. So the cabinet stops right around here. So it's like from here up. It's not actually that chunk, but I mean it's pretty big, but it's not 4 feet tall. It's IO bound by slow hard drives, no SSD. Oh, then you probably won't be able to do concurrent reads. So multiprocessing is probably not going to help you, nor is multi-threading. You're probably just screwed, Indie Monkey. Senpai says, congrats on the new job. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm super excited to work at Sentry. It's gonna be really cool. My friends already texted me like, hey, you're gonna work on dev tooling, right? Can you fix this stuff? There's a bunch of stuff that's broken. I'm like, all right, in April it'll happen. We'll fix it then. Thank you for answering my question about your high school clique. I was always curious about your high school identity. Yeah, like I wasn't a popular kid, but I wasn't not a popular kid. That's probably the best way to put it. I want more bad noodle stories. I can tell you about when I was blamed for being a bad noodle, but I wasn't actually one. I had this. I remember her name, so I remember the. Oh wait, yeah, I could tell you the Hacker Man story too. Yeah. Um. So in first grade, I had this teacher named Miss Lintal. I fucking hated her. She was awful. And Miss Lintal hated me too, but she had no reason to. I didn't do anything in that class, but everyone else in the class realized that Miss Lintal hated me, and so they would just like do terrible things, like throw paper at her in the middle of class, or like scream out obscenities. And whatever anyone did got blamed on me. So I would go home with a note to my parents like every single day and have to be like, yeah, Miss Lintal wrote me up again. I didn't do anything. I don't know what this is about. And every parent teacher conference, my parents would come and be like, so what's up? What's your beef? What do we got going on here? And she would just like lie to my parents. It's just a mess. But the Hacker Man story, there's actually a couple of Hacker Man stories. The first one's in middle school, not in high school. We didn't really have that many computers then. Actually, the first two are in middle school. Is that true? Yeah, we didn't really have computers, so there was like small computer labs that got shared by all of the classes. I think I've told this story already before. And the way the classrooms were set up is there were a bunch of classrooms that were like this. Oops. And behind the classrooms was the row of computers. This was the computer lab. So there was like basically, you know, a couple of computers in this back section here. And this one, what was her name? I don't know. She taught math, and instead of teaching math, this is actually a little silly. Instead of teaching math, she spent the whole day on her computer, which was right here. And I sat with my friend in the back. So we sat like right here. Me and my friends, my friend and I, whatever. We sat back there. And she would sit on her computer and draw houses in MS Paint the whole day. That was like all she did while teaching. But anyway, that's kind of off topic from the story. The story is these are the computers, and these were shared by the yearbook team, class, whatever, and the language arts teacher and the history teacher. So this was language arts here. I don't know why language arts is green. And this was history. And the yearbook class used this program. It was like Adobe something, but it was like really old. And the people in the yearbook class would always launch it from the desktop. So there was like a keyboard shortcut or a Windows shortcut on the desktop. And I got the terrible, hilarious idea to replace the program on the desktop with something that looked like a virus. So when you would click it, it would pop up this message that said, "Your computer has been hacked. It will be shut down in 60 seconds." And then a timer would tick down and then the computer would shut down. No one ever found out that was me, but my friend and I were sitting in the back of the math class, and we just hear screams coming from the computer lab as like each of the people in yearbook class had clicked on the link. But yeah, I never got in trouble for that one. Yeah, that's that. Oh, I have to upload my terrible paint drawing. God damn it, Twitter! Why does it do this? Yeah, please don't clip it. I gotta edit the VOD. Ugh. Why does it always do this? I hate when it does this. But I guess now y'all know my phone number. Again, wouldn't be the first time. Yeah, F's in the chat for that one. anyway. So yeah, that was the story about how I fucked with the yearbook crew by messing up their keyboard shortcuts. The thing that I actually got in trouble for, that I didn't do anything for, was there's this thing called high contrast mode in Windows XP, which had a keyboard shortcut. Have a screenshot of this? No? It's a risky click. Google image search on stream is never a good idea. Yeah, these are all perfect examples. Yeah, so this is what it looked like when you triggered high contrast mode in Windows XP, and there was a keyboard shortcut. It was like Shift Alt print screen or something like that. And I showed my friend this, and he's like, "Oh, this is cool. This was like dark mode before dark mode was cool." And he went around to the entire computer lab, a different computer lab than that one, and changed every computer into high contrast mode. And the vice principal at the time, his name was Mr. Haas. He knew fuck all about computers and thought I was hacking them. And my friend just squealed on me and like blamed everything on me. So I got a week-long detention. I've told this story before. I got a week-long detention from hacking the computer lab. And my punishment was I was supposed to print out flyers for some play or presentation that they had internally. And they used this really old version of Paint Shop Pro or Print Shop Pro or something like that. And the program did not have a way to print multiple copies of a presentation or of a pamphlet. And so my punishment was supposed to be to click through every single thing and print it over and over. And I was supposed to print like 1,000 copies of this thing. And it was supposed to take me the whole week. And like, you know, obviously they probably thought like, oh, yeah, we got him. We're gonna make a fucking click 2,000 times to print all these. I just wrote a fucking macro and then played Pokemon the whole time. So I wasn't mad about my detention, but yeah, that's the other time. What else? Tell you about the story that I got my friend suspended for 3 semesters in college. I told that story before. Get photos of those. So I don't know how many of you had do I still have one? I think it's at my house. You've not heard this story? I've told this story a bunch of times. So we had these devices for doing quiz submissions in classes called iClickers. iClicker is what some of the professors called them. They have a picture of them? Oh, they've switched to mobile devices, which is smart because having dedicated hardware for them is a dumb idea. Let me see if I can get an image of one of them. Oh, that's the new ones. Here we go. Okay, so these are iClickers. This is the iClicker that I had in school. So these 5 buttons and then an on-off button. These are the fancier, newer ones. But the cool thing about the iClickers is you crack them open and they're just a board with the programming pins exposed. See if I can find my photos of those. on Frickberg. So yeah, if you look at them, they're just a board with the pins exposed. And so my friend and I soldered wires to the board and then hooked it up to an AVR programmer, which I still have. I know I still have that. It's not in there. Anyway, I have it somewhere. I don't know where it is. But anyway, we soldered wires to the board and wanted to see what's on there. And they left all of the programming pins unlocked, so we could just dump the EEPROM, we could overwrite the EEPROM if we wanted, and we could write to the flash memory. So we were basically, yeah, you can see this is a hex dump of the code on here. And here's my absolutely terrible soldering job. And then just like a bunch more pictures of what we did here. But we did 2 main hacks with this. One of them is we realized there's a student clicker and a teacher clicker. And the student clicker is white and the teacher clicker is blue. And that's literally the only difference between the two clickers. White plastic and blue plastic. They are the exact same hardware. And so through a little bit of social engineering, you know, I'd walk up to the class, be all nice and smooth and be like, oh, this is interesting. What do you got there? And then memorize the first 6 of the 8 digits of hex digits off the back and set it back down. You only need the first 6 because the last 2 are a checksum. So copy those six digits into my brain and then flashed those 6 digits onto my iClicker, and suddenly I'm the teacher. So I could poke around their slides and, you know, they'd open a poll and I'd press the show poll button or I'd press the close poll button and it would just be chaos. The teacher would have no idea what's going on. So that's one of the hacks that we did. The other hack that we did was I took the actual code that was running on the iClicker, which it was like, it filled the EEPROM almost exactly. So adding my own code to it meant I had to optimize their code because there was no space for other stuff to do there. So I optimized their code to get just enough opcodes in the bottom to write my own custom routine. And the routine that I decided to write was you pressed on and C, or maybe it was A and C. You pressed 2 buttons at the same time, and it would cycle through 255 IDs and vote for C. So you could suddenly make a classroom look like there were 255 additional students that voted either for the wrong answer or the right answer. And there were some classes where you know, I would trigger this and it'd be like, I've never taught a class of 600 students before. How do you all fit in here? Or like in a discussion section with like 12 people and the instructor being like, how this must be interference from the class next door or something. And like, just absolutely nuts. But I didn't get in trouble for this because I didn't really advertise this in any particular way. My friend, however, bless her heart, because they've transitioned since then, was really good at search engine optimization, and their last name started with the word hack, and they blogged about our project because it was a pretty fucking cool project. We did some really neat stuff with it. But they blogged about it. And so for a while, if you searched Umish hack, just those 2 words, their blog post would show up first. And the dean of students knew fucking nothing about computers. So he thought that we were changing people's grades. And so my friends, you know, we tried to pull all the defense. Like, I even got professors involved from the computer science core, and they were like, yeah, no, at other schools we're giving out grants for people doing the same thing. Like, this is really cool that they did this. And the dean's like, no, they're changing grades. And so he got suspended for 3 semesters. But I got off. I don't know how I got off, but I don't really care. But yeah, that's my iClicker story. But yeah. Anyway, those are some of the shit that I did as a bad noodle. And now I'm 20 minutes behind on chat. Oh no! Alright, we're gonna speedrun chat. What's the theme on Babby right now? I don't know. Jas Lucy could tell you though. You want to work with a soon-to-be 501c3 about 150,000 users that use this Sentry? Because I'd love to, I don't know what that word is. Knowing you and using the product. Oh yeah, that would be cool. That would be cool. Armchair General, hello. Good to see you again. The other server's getting dinner, sounds good. Noodle School, yeah. Urban Dictionary has some horrible examples. Yeah. History would be orange? SF Long, hello. Welcome. What a moment to pull up stream. Please don't clip it. Not 10 frames after we had ourselves a Twitter moment. Yeah. Yeah. I need to think about teachers that give up a hard time for no good reason and feel super guilty. Yeah, that's kind of true, Magattack. I made something like kill SVC host and then Windows would crash and restart. Ours was just like the shutdown command, shutdown.exe in Windows used to be real scary. Can I text Anthony Pepe memes now? Alright, alright. Alright, Citrus. Did you send me memes? No, you didn't. Okay. None of you did. Okay, good. Good noodles. Good noodles today. Do you like your number again? Yeah, yeah. Note to self, don't open Twitter tabs. Yeah, now I can't open Microsoft or Twitter. To be honest, phone 2FA is not great. Yeah, Twitter doesn't really give you any other choices there, which sucks. But yeah, anyway. Dank mode, yeah, yeah. If I've learned anything from this stream is don't log into anything ever on stream. I was already logged in. I don't know why it showed it. It's so stupid. At least your detentions have interesting lore. I was just slacking in the local arcade. Yeah, yeah. Free semester story, I've not heard this, yes. What language did you use to automate the clicks? It was assembly. I think I still have the code. Yeah, it was super low level assembly. We had to disassemble it and figure out what the code did and then reverse engineer it. So there was no, it wasn't C, it was just raw assembly. Let's see, backups, that would have been in 2011. I have a folder. I know there's a folder called iClicker somewhere on here that has all of the stuff. In my web folder, that wouldn't make sense. No. Certainly not in the Visual Basic folder. Dogtimer.exe. Yeah, it's not that. Maybe it's not in 2011. Oh, this would have had to have been 2012. Yeah. iClicker, here we go. So here is the EEPROMs that we dumped from the EEPROM. Sorry, the EEPROM is where the identifier is. This is their serial number. Or wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, this is their serial number. And then this is just, I don't know what the rest of the EEPROM was used for. Apparently a bunch of just 1 bits. Oh, I don't know why these are not edge there. It's kind of weird. Slide DK, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Let's see. Okay, so this is the assembly. I think this is the one where we did the actual hack. This. I don't know what this is. Binary diff of some sort. Utils. Yeah, so here's how we dumped out the assembly. So this is what some of the assembly and the annotations looked like. That we had to optimize in order to insert our code here. But yeah, it was pretty wild. It was a fun project. Did it involve drugs? No drugs. There's one story of Tom Scott telling a girl that Finder in Place exists who is manually editing every instance of a name in a huge book. Oh no. 3 semesters, like a year? Yeah. Oh man, I hated iClickers. Yeah, they were the worst. They cost so much. Yeah, they were like, I think that stupid piece of hardware is like $100 or something absurd. And you couldn't resell them because they were locked to your like student ID. Yeah, I couldn't sell it off later. Yeah, that was the worst part. My class still used iClickers pre-COVID. Whoa. Crazy. Xbox, good choice. That wasn't mine. That was my roommate's. Social engineering, yeah. Oh, and Mahamdi continued their sub. Thank you, Mahamdi. Appreciate that. Chad Anthonk, you're terrible. Oh, the story gets worse. Oh god, what have you done? Is this the hot dog theme? Oh, this one's pretty bad. This one's pretty bad. Oh, it is hot dog stand, yeah. My friend unironically uses this theme at work. Like this is actually the theme that they use in their editor in VS Code. I see now why 3 semesters. We didn't do anything. It was all harmless. I mean, it was funny. We didn't actually change grades. Hey, what's up, Rask? Hello, hello. That's an awesome story. You talk about it, shows how bad other people are with tech. Yeah, the dean is probably still a dean. Yeah, it's probably still the same guy. Unless it's the guy that just got convicted of sexual assault and was forced out of the university. Could be that guy. Wouldn't surprise me. Your alma mater is not one I'd expect to have such a boomer as a dean. Well, they're elected, so they don't really, they're not necessarily by merit. Who updated theme? D-Dalsp did this one. Jazz Lucy did the previous one. Yeah, I found a bug too. How do I convert Visix to JSON? Oh no. My high school hack was changing the logout message or the Yahoo Messenger shortcut to logout.exe. That was basically mine, except shutdown. But yeah, linked list. It's the first thing people would open on their computers. Bonsai buddy. Learning about assembly in college feels like a long time ago. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, this theme's pretty bad, so we're gonna veto this one. Build, create. Oh, we need an if. So if you submit a really bad theme, you just lose your points. That's how it goes. But you can at least get your few seconds of pain out of it. What was this theme? It was called Hot Dog Stands. Hot Dog Stands. Okay. We're caught up on chat. Can we hack into your computer with this command? In theory, yes. I demand the refunds. You knew what you were getting into. You knew what you were getting into, DLs. You also have so many points. You can afford it. 10k baddies isn't that bad. Yeah, it was worth it for the shock, right? But yeah, in theory, you could hack into my computer, but I mean, feel free to try and break it. I welcome you to try and break it. We already broke it earlier, so we have figured out that there are bugs, and so it is possible for you to break my computer. So go for it. But yeah, hopefully as you try and break my computer, I will fix it, which is what we've done so far. Like this is how we had to fix things earlier because I had the wrong keys here. I think there's also a bug with, no, maybe I fixed that already. And yeah, we have protections in place to prevent the XML themes from being terrible. So hopefully this avoids denial of service via XML bombs. But I already hacked your PC and stole your root password. Yeah. Y'all can have my root password. It's bad password. Oh no, you know my password. Well, you know my fucking phone number too. All right, let me delete clips and delete the VOD too. Dr. Yeti, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. All right, how many of you assholes clipped this? Let's see. An hour ago, 2 hours ago. Was this 18 minutes ago? I feel like this is when you clipped this. Yeah. You guys suck. Why would you do this? No, this clip looks fine. 20 minutes ago? Okay, 20 minutes ago? Wait, you clipped one, D-Dalsp. What are you doing? Oh, you clipped me after it. Okay, it's fine. Okay, you clipped me after it. You're fine. Crampiel, though. Did you clip it? No, you did it after. Okay, you're fine too. Okay, I think you're all fine. But we have to delete the VOD. You're innocent? Okay, good. I wasn't paying attention, so I was curious what you had done to get it to pop up. Yeah, I just swapped over the logins. Sure you want to delete this video? Yes. Okay. Nipples Cage. Have you ever built any Slack apps? Yes. I wrote a really cool Slack app that it's so cool that I don't want to tell you what it is because I want to remake it sometime and monetize it. Elmedel, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. But yes, I've written a few Slack apps. Slack is a terrible piece of software. It is not fun to write Slack apps at all. And the one that I wrote was dead simple. But like not fun to work with in any way, shape, or form. I don't think this matters. I think the current code is fine. But whatever. Did you use Slack block it? No, I just wrote it straight with the normal REST API stuff. We're using Reddit. The built framework they have is decent, I guess, for simple apps. Well, this was years ago, so probably built didn't exist. You haven't tried to write an app for MS Teams. Yeah, that's true, Cine Man. 4 to F16. Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. 4 to F16? 40. What? How do you want me to say your name? I will just ask you. Oh, you have a cool custom color. I just wrote mine in plain JSON and sent API requests. Yeah, that's basically what I did. It still sucked. Maybe it's bad before. Okay, maybe it's gotten better. Maybe I should not talk shit until I have updated my several year outdated thoughts about this. Because I guess it was in 2019, 2018. So maybe it's gotten better since then. Maybe I'm being unfair. That's what I'm saying. Okay, we have another code review to look at, which their most recent comment is this, which almost makes me want to not look at it. I hate when people do this. Chill, dude. It's been literally a few days. Like, just wait. We'll get there eventually. Okay. It's fine. Teams is annoying to develop for when you work for a VPN-based enterprise because you need SSL-capable endpoints even for testing. Oh, that sucks. Is it leet speak? Oh, maybe. Atafig? Atafig? I don't know. They will have to tell us. There's a customer of ours opened a GitHub issue 5 days ago, and they are asking when we're going to release the fix through the sales rep. Oh no. You're involved in PyTest? Yes, I'm one of the core devs of PyTest. And a bunch of other shit too. Cinnamon, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. 100% they used inheritance for this. Please, 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 no. Please, no. 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 Why did they do this? No. Don't import underscored names. That's not okay. I'm just not gonna review the rest, given those seem worth fixing. Okay, oh, I'm finally caught up on open source. It's been a while. Waiting for merge queues on GitHub. You mean you want to click the run train button? Those people aren't texting you to look at your code? True. It could be. No one has. No one has. Ping you on Slack, please approve my PR. Yeah. 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 Can you explain the error annotations? Yes, Magic Mike. I believe it'll be the second video for this search result. Yes, so check out the second video there. Kind Z says, dry spaghetti is the worst. Yeah. Don't use inheritance when you can use multiple inheritance. Aren't you in Java, Senpais? Don't you not have multiple inheritance? Don't you only have interface inheritance to prevent you from doing terrible things like that? Burnt. I don't think that was a burn. Oh god, wait, why is this one still fucked up? Oh, because I didn't send sig reload. Yeah, makes sense. Sig user 1. Multiple inheritance considered harmful? It is. Terrible. Inheritance considered harmful. Yeah, write-off picks. That was the theme that got selected. Okay, what was I doing? It was so beautiful, yeah. Good old hot dog stand. What's the other theme that they use? Windows Blue, VS Code. Theme. Like the old... Like, do you remember the old school bright blue command prompt terminals? Probably no one in chat remembers those. Yeah, this color. Heck. This color. Actually, person you will know. Actually, we can probably just get it out of his GitHub. Timothy, who made iSort, uses a also wrote their own text editor, by the way. Why can I not find it? What did you call your text editor, Timothy? It had some like cutesy name, which is why I'm not able to find it. But Timothy's theme of choice is like the bright blue one. I don't remember what it was called though. I don't know. But anyway, Timothy likes this theme and uses it for VS Code. Figured composition over inheritance? Yeah. Yeah. Turbo C days, yes. I only remember this blue color from PowerShell. The PowerShell one's not as blue as the old blue one is. From the Windows 3.1 era. Yeah, that's even before my time, but how you doing, Parsec? Good to see you. Norton Commander. Norton Commander. The only bright blue theme I like is Cobalt 2. Oh, interesting. BIOS blue. Yeah, there you go. BIOS blue. I remember that at least. Okay, so I was working on opengraph tags for pre-commit.ci, right? And I closed... Oh no, we still have this. Wait, what happens if I just upload this SVG? I gotta convert it to a PNG. Do I have a PNG of this on my desktop? I think I do. Build and learn. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yes, I do. 6.9. Nice. Oh, I lost my browser window. Upload a picture. Drag and drop or select here. 69. That's actually not terrible, right? I just put this in the meta description. Yeah, that's not terrible. Wolftex, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Did you know that American Megatrans has a monopoly on writing BIOS and EUFI? Yeah, I did know that. What Java code is boiling on your desktop is a Minecraft server. Oh, what is the name of this theme? I'm concerned. Talk.return code. What the hell happened here? Pkill. Oh, does pkill return non-zero when there's no processes to kill? Ah, it does. So we gotta ignore that exit code. Why is this theme called colonoscopy? What a terrible name for a theme. But yeah, our sync, the Java on my desktop is Minecraft server. This is such a feels like an eye strain theme. I chose the theme specifically for the name. Nice. But you did find another bug, so now I need to fix that. But plugins, maybe theme. Ignore the return code. If there's no editors running, it will be 1. Yes. Ignore pkill return code. Cool. Now we're going to restart us. Row, yeah. I don't know what you want, but there's a really good reason why the Russian dudes from Positive Technologies wanted to kill Intel ME. Given points for finding the bug? Okay, I think that's fair. If you find a bug, I will refund your points. I think that's fair. Review requests. You get your points back. Congrats. You find a bug, you get your points back. Sounds like I should get my hot dog theme points back for identifying a bug. There was no bug in the hot dog theme. Just in this one. Always reminds me of TBBT. What's TBBT? What do you do, the Minecraft server? What? How's that a question? What? What else would you do the Minecraft server? I need to fill my water though, because I am out. So I'm gonna do that real quick. And I will be right back. I will see you in a sec. All right, we are back. Oh, the Big Bang Theory is what TBBT is. Oh, my brain was going like, Taking Back Sunday? No, that's TBS. That's a little bit different. That's not TBBT. Okay, but I understand now. Hey, welcome back. What's a reamd? What do you mean what's a reamd? Oh, there's a readme command. Oh, I got rid of the random command. Because it was just a test something. Oh, my eye's twitching again. Oh, is that what the bonk penny meme was from earlier? Oh, they always talked about colonoscopies in the Big Bang Theory. Oh, okay. I never watched Big Bang Theory. Not think about it. Even though apparently it's like one of the most popular, like the most popular TV show ever in Canada or something like that. Yeah, this actually seems fine. Yeah, so let's OG image title description. Is that all we need? Why do acronymophiles, they have a love for acronyms? Keep messaging me. What does that mean? There's a joke where Sheldon always knocks on Penny's door 3 times, and then he'll say Penny, and the laugh track plays. Okay. Doesn't sound funny. Why is that funny? I can't spell. Oh, right. Inline styles. Pay no attention to the inline styles. I mean, whatever fucking works, right? Meta. Oh. Name equals OG image. Does this not have a title tag? It does. Okay. Is it meta content? Is that what the tag is? OG image. Oh, property equals content equals. Property. I wonder if OG image can be an SVG. I'm gonna hope that it can be. OG title pre-commit.ci. That's not what I wanted. I wanted to copy and paste this content. The special characters there? Yeah. Add opengraph tags to pre-commit.ci homepage. Citrus says, I've got a stinky work meeting. Enjoy the rest of your stream. If I'm not back by then, thanks for the good time. As always, well, thank you for stopping by, Citrus. Appreciate hanging out here. Rsync says something Jython, which can't be good. There's no good URL that ends in Jython. What is this thing? Oh, the Grail VM Jython? Yeah. This isn't relevant. It doesn't. The cost of pre-commit.ci is not the execution cost. It's already super fast. In fact, running an alternate Python without telling people is more likely gonna make things shitty. Kingslayer, thank you for the follow. Sorry I missed that. I just got message/added by a person with 7 apparently financial business related acronyms at the end of their name. Jesus, that's crazy. Big is back, but the images aren't loading? Oh. Oh. Saw this on Reddit today, says EasyLight. How you doing, EasyLight? Welcome back. Exit code 1 is... Oh, that's so shitty. They fucked these two. Oh, that's annoying. Alright, in theory this works. Should this be escaped? I don't know. Probably not. Alex Alder. I almost read Alexander. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully your day is going well. Might need OG image type. Canonical image URL. Theme URL. A MIME type. I don't think I will. Oh, if it specifies OG image, it should specify OG image alt. Do I need all these? Hopefully not. We'll try it without it and see what happens. LinkedIn is basically the reverse Tinder. Oh, that's quite the take. Why does refreshing it? What is going on here? I think we found a bug in Chrome. But refreshing the page causes it to display at a different position? But only when this link is off screen? Like, now it's not doing it. Oh, now it's kind of doing it again. Yeah, what the hell is going on here? Okay, but we have our opengraph stuff now. Let's see. I don't really trust Twitter anymore, do I? Stupid Twitter. Okay, don't pop up my phone number. Okay, so in theory, if I put in pre-commit.ci now. Hello? No worky. Guess we need some of those other tags then. Oh, I remember the schema.org stuff too. I implemented that at Yelp too. Oh, I could have done code here. That would have been better. May take a minute or two. No items detected. Oh, this is not the thing I want. I think I want the structured data thing instead. No. This is schema.org. This is different than the OG stuff. Yeah. Different. Grumble. Hey, what's up, Net? Hello. It's the Urban Dictionary of Run Train in one of my groups, and a guy replied, "My Node apps on one vCPU be like? Oh no. Use the Twitter card validator and reload the cache. Like a so? No card found. But why? What meta tags do I need for Twitter cards? Literally all I want to do. OG type? Type, title, and description. What is OG type? God, I hate this stuff. OG type. The type of your object. Is this not? Why is this not the default? Why is this not the default? Is this what GitHub uses for issues, PRs, and repos? I hope not. Fuck. Can you try setting up an extension that blocks your phone number and pages? Yeah, maybe. Also bug on Reddit, if you scroll to a specific scroll position, the text and posts start to flicker. Oh, that seems bad. Sentinel Diamond, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. How you doing? You need these? I'm just gonna try stuff until it works. But thank you. Gonna find our meat tags. Not up to date. Marshawn says, quick question. If I pull code via git clone webpage and make a change now, pull this code into GitHub, will I see the changes like the old version I pulled and the new version? I'm going to push now instantly. You're going to have to rephrase that because I'm not understanding what you are saying. Sentinel Diamond says, what game are you making? I know I'm in software and game development, but I don't have to be making a game. I don't really make games. Well, I made one game. Apple Bono, welcome back. Good to see you again. I assume you'll need non-SVG for the image. Ugh, suck. That'd be so shitty. But SVGs are the way of the future. Twitter card being summary large image and Twitter image being an absolute URL. I don't think I need the Twitter stuff. I think I can just use opengraph. It's my private repo. I'm trying to learn Git. Clone a URL, make a change. If I pull this code into GitHub, will I see the old version I pulled and the new version instantly? Yeah, if you push, you should be able to see the changed stuff. Oh, you're fine, Sentinel Diamond. It's all good. You didn't make the will it commit game? Yeah, is that pre-commit? But you bet channel points on it or something like that? What are you? You didn't search the issue tracker. You didn't search the issue tracker. There's an answer. Just gonna ignore them. Opengraph will show a tiny preview image, but that works. Yeah, that's all I really want. I just want something to show up rather than nothing. Okay, let's try this again. Ugh. Son of bitch. It doesn't like SVG, maybe? That sucks. Helena Black, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, no, that sounds right, Shortshell. Ugh. Really? I need a PNG? That's so stupid. That's so dumb! Fucking stupid. It's 2022. SVGs aren't new anymore. Okay, well, I guess we can use this PNG. How big are you? Property details. 460 squared. That's not very big. That's not very big. Devil Lord. Devilo Red. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. SVGs might not be Twitter friendly, but Twitter should just convert it then. Yeah, still not being able to use opengraph SVGs. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. I think you misspelled BMP. Yeah. Right. How do I do this? SVG to PNG converter Linux. It's gonna be FFmpeg bullshit, right? Or image magic, one of the two. They're both the same, right? Convert. Or Inkscape. Pre-commit / image logo.svg. Do you look alright? Why does all software suck? You have one job! You have one fucking job! 80% of pre-commit.ci. Yeah, exactly. You had one job! Why not use software as a service? Because I was hoping that I could just run a command that I already have installed and it would just work, you know? But I've been bamboozled yet again. Okay, well, what if we force it to resize? Or what if we have Inkscape? It could go wrong, right? God. Why are we installing Beautiful Soup? Oh, maybe that's not Beautiful Soup. Oh, no, it is Beautiful Soup. Why are we installing Beautiful Soup? A little bit better. Just pulled in from the recommends. We don't need the recommends. Can you choose Paint 3D in Windows? Oh, I should maybe do that. Let's try this first. What version do we install? Hopefully it's newer than that. Really? Yeah, a little older. Okay. Fine. And it's 2000 by 2000, I think. Just gonna ignore the error. Hey, there we go. That's much better. Cool. Ole hens. Ola. Oh my god. Why is this hurting my brain? Ola hens. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Just install the internet? Yeah. Yeah. Look at these requirements. Okay, I think those are all satisfied. Where of at least this? Yeah, we're good. Okay, that's what we got. How big is this? 68K. See if we can squash that down. Opta-PNG is the one that I remember. I forget what language it's implemented in. There's like a REST one too. Ratio might be off. I don't really care. I just want something to show up. Matt Skull, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Ooh, yeah, 18% improvement. Let's make sure it doesn't look like shit. Sometimes these tools... Oh, that was weird. Yeah, looks fine. Okay. Get rid of those. And get rid of the other stuff we don't need. Is it transparent as well? Good question. Easiest way to test that is to make an HTML file. Yay, it's transparent. Okay, cool. Good, very good. Opengraph 3. I guess we'll put in the other open graph things here. We get width and height and such. 2000. Can we put units there? No. Evan Electra, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. There's a wrapper for Opta-PNG and similar tools called Tri-Image GUI in Python. Oh, cool. 800% doesn't work if you only do it on body. You need to do it on HTML. Oh, it worked fine here. You're right, though. You're right, but it worked fine. Did what I wanted to do. Probably didn't need either the width or the height. Probably did nothing. What's the MIME type for PNG? MIME types.guess type. Image/PNG. Does this have to be an absolute URL? All of their examples have it be an absolute URL. We'll do the same. Make it an absolute PNG, man! It wouldn't work as a relative. It should! This system sucks. It should be able to figure it out. The browser can render relative URLs just fucking fine. It can also render SVGs just fucking fine. Feels like there's no reason it should need to be not that way, you know? You know? Likes the pic says kind of makes sense. I mean, it does, but it also doesn't. Hey, we got a 69. Nice. Okay, we gotta close some of these tabs. Don't need you, don't need you, nor you, nor you. We do need you. Might need you. Don't need you. Okay. Blanche R2. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Merge. Don't need you, nor you, nor you. I gotta wait for it to deploy again. Oh, typo. Stop. Now we refresh and watch it wiggle again. Hey, what's up, C-Titter? Welcome back. We're kind of not working on that at the moment. We're doing other stuff. We're watching... Oh, there we go. A little bit of CND, CND. Some CDN flutter there. Plus. Nice. Okay. Good enough. Probably improve it later, but seems fine. Seems fine. Stupid. The shit we do to make websites look kind of okay on other devices. I'll probably change the blurb. Blurb seems maybe not the best, but okay, that should fix itself. Hit alpha 6. What are we at? 3.5 hours. I feel like I shouldn't start another project right now. What are you? Yeah. You guys remember this chat? Place this in a babby and then resize a bunch and lol core dump. Boop. Curses still hasn't fixed it, as far as I can tell. Anthon is doing SEO. SEO sucks. Alright, but I kind of want to make a Tox replacement. Is that a terrible idea, chat? Is this gonna be one of those projects that I start working on and then never finish? Got him. No, it's spelled Dick Sword. It's spelled right. What's wrong with Tox? Would that be toxic? This might be the reason why. I'm not sure that I like Tox 4. I feel like Tox is too noisy and too complicated. There's Nox. Nox is a different problem. Nox is code as configuration, which is bad. I already have a name for it. It's not gonna be called atox. I already have a name for it. I kind of don't want to say it because then you guys might steal it from PyPI. Yeah, still available. Sotox? No. I'm not gonna tell you the name. Sox is already taken. That would have been cool. Detox. Oh, that would have been a good name. No, it doesn't have the word tox in it, but it's related. It's similar. It uses some of the same letters. No, Sox is already on PyPI. It needs to be a word that's available on PyPI. Give us a Wordle. Oh, it's 4 characters. Stonks, yeah. If I gave you a Wordle, I'd give it away. It's also not the same number of letters as Tox, so it wouldn't work. Can you make a placeholder version? Yeah, I could, but I don't know. I don't know if I actually want to do the project. I feel like if I make a placeholder version, then I'm kind of setting myself up to make the project, which I don't really want to do. Yeah, just running test ISO against different Python versions would be enough. I'm not using any of the features. Yeah, I think the other problem I have with Tox is I need to write a lot of configuration to make it actually work. And let me tell you, none of this should be necessary. So I shouldn't need any of that. This should come out of the box. This should just be a built-in thing to the environment runner. There's nothing special about this. Anyone can use this on any project. This should just be part of the defaults, which makes this not needed, which makes this not needed. And this should be basically the same on every project too. So this should not be needed. And if you have a requirements dev, it should just use that. So then this should not be needed. So basically, I think I could get to a point where there's no configuration and it just does the right thing. Or at least that's the idea. Does that sound terrible? Does it sound reasonable? Am I off base? Am I crazy? Am I biting off more than I should chew? That's not the phrase, but close enough. Toxins. You don't want to commit. Yeah. What is Tox for us not in the know? It is a environment manager and automation tool which makes virtual environments for testing bunches of Python versions. It's kind of like Make, but minus the build system parts and plus knowing things about Python. You've heard of Wordle, but have you heard of Semantle? I've heard of like a million different clones of those, but it depends if you expect to get the answer immediately or fail immediately, then you don't expect the right thing. Sounds like a neat idea. So you want talks with sane defaults? Yeah. The coverage service first, maybe asking for a friend. Yeah. The coverage service is another thing that I'm probably gonna have to make soon. It depends on what Microsoft does with Azure pipelines. Like if they kill Azure pipelines and don't have a coverage replacement for GitHub Actions, then yeah, I will be making a coverage service. But I think I'm going to take a different approach to that. Rather than making it free first, I'm going to make it paid first. And then maybe add a free tier later. Versus what I did with pre-commit.ci. You can parse setup.cfg. Yeah, that was going to be the approach. Or more realistically, run pip wheel or whatever the new version of that is. Because every time I say pip wheel, someone comes and screams at me on Twitter and is like, no, you should be using pep 5.1 build whatever the fuck. I'm just like, I don't give a shit. Pip wheel works fine. Piss off. We'll figure out which kinds of tests to run by dependencies like MyPy. That seems more complicated. I want something dead simple. Hey, what's up, Niram? Hello, hello. Maybe Centra has interest in you building this? Probably not. Probably not. They link to the GitHub Actions documents for DevOps hosted agents at the moment. I think at sometime they will kill DevOps. So DevOps and GitHub Actions are just this different front ends for the same backend. Yeah. Akagi says, "Cool keyboard, thanks." If you do bang keyboard, oh yeah, we never implemented quote. Yeah, we should maybe do that. Use pep 5.1 whatever the fuck. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe we should do the other chatbot things that I was gonna do. Theme switcher done. Yeah, this one's kind of weird. Why does user not match case? But it knows the case, just does it wrong. So I don't know what's up with that. Why these are capitalized properly, but if you do something that prints back your username, it's wrong. Like chatplot, is that one that spits back my username? Yeah. Can somebody who has their name capitalized run chatplot to demo this bug? Wow, I'm trending downwards in my own chat. Crazy. Blackoutissimo, you need 2 days. Sarcastic Dante, there you go. Okay, yeah. So I don't know why this is lowercase, but this is uppercase. Let's figure that out. Pleekly, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. And thank you for the bits, Doodles. As always. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in verbose mode. Oh, it crashed. Okay. This is the first time I've caught a crash while in verbose mode. It just severs the connection and doesn't tell me anything. That's crazy. Oh. Wild. Okay, can somebody with an uppercase name? Yeah, there we go. Time Lord. So where does the capitalized name come from? Oh, here it is. Display dash name. So what's probably happening is it's using the username and not the display name. And we want it to use the display name. You missed the drop song? It happened today. You just missed it. You just missed it. Okay. Yeah, so maybe I need to change the match type. Dang it. Yeah, now you can mess with both my editors, details. Okay, so I think any place that there's this match user thing, we need to change it to use display name. Oh, that's gonna break this. Wait, we have a giveaway command? Does this even work? Wait. What is this? No current giveaway active. Does it even work? I kind of want to see if it works. I'm not giving anything away. Here, we'll turn off the requirement that you have to be subbed. Here's the... giveaway start. You're giving away some stickers. Wait, it's not subs only, but yeah, enter the giveaway. Everyone do giveaway, just because I want to see if it still works. Also, try and enter it twice and see what happens. I'd be really surprised if this works. Oh, it lets you enter more than once, too. Well, that's kind of busted. Does maybe the thing at the end rectifies it? Let's see. About plugins, giveaway. Your streamer? No. Doesn't really do anything special there. Giveaway end. Select user from giveaway users. Damn, it lets you stuff the ballot. This is so busted. Okay, let's make it not. Actually, I feel like it should have done insert or replace. Yeah. Alright, DDoS. Okay. Don't get banned, buddy. Twitch will ban you. I don't want that to happen. Insert or replace. Yeah, why is this not working? Does it not have the primary key set properly? Primary key. Oh. Oh. This is supposed to have a primary key. Oh, I see. Okay, let's do one more. Giveaway and of course DDoS won. Right? You stuffed the ballot. Oh, it just straight up drops the table. That's funny. I guess that's one way to do it. Okay, let's try it again. Giveaway start. Alright, try it again. We're not actually giving anything away. But I kind of wanted to see what it does. Okay, we have a primary key here again. Okay, and there's no dupes in here. Nice. Can you give babbies away? No, I can't give channel points away. Twitch doesn't let us do that. It would be nice if we could, though. But then I imagine you could just fuck the economy. Okay, so it sends you to the end whenever you re-giveaway. Okay. Alright, who won this one? Magic Pool, you snuck in there right at the end and then you won! You rigged? Yeah. SQL injection from a giveaway? I don't think you could SQL inject. Redo? But we're not giving anything away! It's just to see if the command works. Does it always take the last entry? No, it does random. But just because you guys want to see. Alright, we'll do one more. Just because I want to make sure it's not the last person. I'm pretty sure it's not, but I want to double check, make sure. Okay, feel like that's enough people? So we can do the end? Go away. Giveaway -R. Yeah. Okay. Giveaway and yeah, okay. Not the last person. Done. Perfect. I should have waited a bit. Hey, you won though. You won nothing. Congrats. Yes, no. I think I'm gonna remove the sub requirement anyway, because I'm pretty sure that's against terms of service. So don't tell Twitch. whenever we ran this before. Worst giveaway ever. I said I was giving away nothing. What am I gonna give away? VIP for a week? I'll forget to turn it off then. Juice, Anthony did an illegal. Yeah. I think it's only illegal in some countries, but fix the giveaway commands. I don't have anything to give away, chat. That's the other problem. I can give away subs. I guess I can do that. I'm still waiting on my prize scammed. I told you up front. There was nothing at stake. How did you fix it again? The main fix is to add a primary key to the users table. Which was the intention at the beginning. I just forgot to do this. I'm pretty sure I wrote this like 5 minutes before the stream started. And then just kind of yelled at it. A casual viewer and Mike's the Pick. Thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Prizes unrestrained VS Code theme changes. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Were we given a fun bug and a grin? It's like a decent prize to me. Yeah, I mean, we did. There was a bug, which DDLs quickly found. But it'll be fixed for next time. Okay, so we know why user is wrong. The problem is we use that everywhere. I don't really want to change, like everywhere we have match stir, I would need to change this to... Why did they not match anything? Oh, because squackets. Yeah, everywhere that there's match stir right now, I would have to change to a different type. Or I would have to parse the user out of it. We could do, but seems gross and seems easy to mess up. Double quotes. Oh, that one was right. Yeah, so I'd have to fix all of these. And I actually think the Vim timer one is more right. I don't know. I feel like I know what the problem is, but I don't know whether I want to fix it. This is this should use display name in the attributes. How do streamers integrate to the chat with APIs? I mean, yeah, mine's just a chatbot. You can look up the code for it here. The other thing that I want to do was fortune, and I don't know how this is going to work. Maybe we'll just design it today and we'll work on it tomorrow. But I basically want a way for probably just mods to add messages to fortune. So you could do like, I don't know, fortune, add ddelsp, good code changed like a ghost or something like this. And or maybe it's fortune add fortune add. Can't the bot just keep a dictionary of username to display name? The message tells you what the display name is. Also, the display name can change. Like you could make your P lowercase if you wanted to, which would be a problem. So just use the display name and it needs to print it. A good idea. That's a good idea. For the printing, we could change it. Bot data format message. Yeah, so we could parse the badges out of this from the original match. Yeah, that might be a good idea. That might work. That might be a good enough improvement for this. Where's the like parse badge data thing? Badges. Not badges. Separate module. The fuck is this doing? Aximil, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Or Aximile. Oh, see. I see. Yeah, that is an idea that we could use here. This is for images. This is not what I want. It's not called badges. It's called attributes. Handler plugins. Permissions? Parse badge info. Yeah, there it is. How does that work? Parse badge info, match info. Yeah. Like this, perhaps? Oh, we already imported parse badge info. Look at that. I think this is gonna fail. Wait, why did that not fail? Oh, if we do it without this? Our username, you need at least 2 days of data. Okay, that might work. Let's restart the bot. And Magic Mice, Magic Mike, can you run Chatbot for me? Damn, now I have Badger stuck in my head. I'm not familiar with it, so maybe I can't get it stuck in my head. Recon says, I'm trying to get into async.io. I'd gauge my skill at upper intermediate. My struggle, lots of the docs are not easy to understand. Most blogs/tutorials tend to be nothing more than a glorified hello world or a web scraper. Would you have recommendations of a nice code base to study? I think most async.io kind of sucks. Huh. That's weird. Is this where Chatbot is? Yeah. Oh, I see. Yeah, the problem is it uses the user that it parsed, so that won't fix it either. Damn. Okay. So that's not gonna fix it, but it was a good idea, parse it. I'll have to think more about that. And probably do a pretty big refactor to fix it. Yeah, rip. Sorry those of you with capitals. We'll fix it another day though. I'm kind of hungry. But yeah. I think that's gonna wrap us up for today. Got a bunch of stuff done. Right? Surely? What did we do today? I don't know. We did some deadsnakes. But yeah, that's gonna wrap us up for today. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to YouTube 3 times a week at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. So you can check those out here. I also upload my stream VODs to my second channel, which is here. I have to edit today's video. Fuck. But if you missed any part of the stream, you can catch up there. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony. Super nervous about opening Twitter now. And yeah, we did this. We did both those things. And I also announced them on Discord, which you are free to join and hang out with us. It's a cool little community. There's a beginner's channel if you want to ask questions. There's also a bunch of fun social channels as well if you want to hang out in there and have a good time. But yeah, that's going to wrap us up for today. Let's go find someone to raid.